na deal no ne say
Akoma FM 87.
Ghana ene trafficker for a subsidiary ewo Ghana ha
it in Sianemu
a omo wa ha omo ne Ghana ban in fact trafficker for no ewo majority shares ewo Ghana Power Generation Company. Dina na ya order for letter no to so do letter no a eba no a I am giving you the background. The background is that letter is dated 23rd September 2024.
Akoma FM 87.
Now this letter
say Monday no.
That should be Monday. Until letter we buy no. They no na holiday, yes. Na holiday. Ghana need the holiday. Now, mami more background. Meba letter no so. In the year 2018, and government of Ghana a terminate agreement na a war between government of Ghana and Ghana Power Generation Company. Woman no, ye majority shares no, owned by Trafigura for
87.9 Kumasi.
Now, when a buyer and Nadine say or call ahead, aqua terminate that agreement, no. Trafigura for catch their buying, you're very careful because you see Kabe investing. Evans, I'm telling you that there are other issues. Now, no, make so much now. Buankra in Lamport. Say Ghana, they call arbitration.
Judgment debt.
Oh, yes. They call arbitration.
Bobby Coco went here.
Bokoko went here. At this moment, Omo Boabai Coco Sabai, the Oya no shady ye.
And you need
one say ya. And ya samba bro. Oh, come here, Basso Jawasem.
Assembly.
And a pa 2018. So what they Midisika Abe investing? What terminate agreement no? Name in Tiasie and omo firing and omo they call London Court of International Arbitration. Say Omano yes buomo kwasia. So Evans, in the year 2021, UK court awarded Ghana Ghana Power Generation Company an amount. So in this case, GC for now, they took the matter up and I'm arbitration in the year 2021. And arbitration is Ghana, the Amaya no some phone money no.
It's Yabomoka.
It's Yabomoka about $134 million. Hey, $134 million.
Now you're one and a minister.
2021.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Finance Minister de Kano Foriata.
Oh, Pape.
Now, Ghana buying the Kokotako Sam and okay, yano yawo case, yanso yawo issue, yana check nabra, $134 million. And I Ghana tuamu $1 million.
1 million.
Ghana tuamu about 1.8 million.
134 million.
Yes.
You tuamu 1.8.
You tuamu 1.8 million.
That's with 0.something%.
87.9 Kumasi.
Hey. Evans, you see, Kroma no, Pampani ya dodan kwa kufado. O boys ni di omo ya no. Enye.
No gu papa na ni ma se.
O boys ni di omo bi mo ya no enye.
Ma ha papa no.
O boys ni di omo ya no etan. Diodum ni aka o Pampani, don't worry. Na o man ni boka. Evans see aye ka say. What him say after this? Na Ghana asaya no ho Kokotako say you be challenge that decision.
87.9 Kumasi.
Say baby nia woni ne kona order form cross kwe also ho nye the form.
And it got to the point Ghana, you see, if you read mails about to Ministry of Finance, at a point, I'm describing Ghana, I'm describing your case, you say a week. Even that time near Guswa air calling for extension. There was a point the arbitration, Emma Ghana, even extension, say, okay, if you are looking for extension, we will grant it.
Akoma FM.
If you are looking for extension, we will grant it for you. But even that, Ghana and Timia are making any important case. November 2021, and there is this judge, a friend of Mrs. Justice Cockrell. On the man or ma the permission say go and take your money from Ghana. And Evans from a yaba bedruha say tiafo be kai pa in the year 2023. There was this issue now they for building to Sumami. In the year 2023 there was an issue Ghana, the back and forth, call your ba, see entria, and mama time, ba be challenge no. Evans, it got to a point this Ghana Power Generation Company, enya order from court in the year 2023. Say Ghana were 5 properties our London. Some properties in Yinano, yes, easy because of Sakano.
Christo.
Akoma FM 87.
For building not to Smami. Ghana, this is the building.
Hey, Regina House.
This is Regina House.
When you there?
Of course. Among this property, when other 5 properties, and no minor. Court. In fact, Mrs. That was April. Yes, that was April 2023. Mrs. Justice Robin and the this order. And now the back and forth. Ever make us in the actual yembecho. William said, "Drew baby, not Ghana Attorney General or to change the case. No, and you're not some good deal. Yeah, Attorney General. Yeah, yes."
Or damn,
I am telling you. So at a point, Ministry of Finance lawyer now so much to an external firm. Now almost a continue matter na demaye. This is where we are at the moment.
Sir John, so far good for your day.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Now, Fatu Somame na yanshe. Judges and our lawyers are at a point, not Ghana, your case for court. But we had to resort to international firms. My
figure kufu dodo.
As we speak, Sikano and movie, the outstanding amount, the Becca 111 million. No? Is it a drew $140 million?
Make me a consumer.
Obetman mamba since when is when
me refucracy bis many
baby on mine no enyama bedu so the finance ministry say o my ready so mo betua sika no. It is not true.
Akoma FM.
Hence the decision by the firm, the company said at this point you see after London the any no. Now they are looking at your properties be what South Africa. A whole crowd almost say, hey, Evans. The issue is that you are refusing to make the payment. This is the letter. In the finance minister, this letter was released from your end.
Sir John,
one customer office.
Yahweh at yours and my befeji account. Confanoche.
And the CIA can say, oh my Ghana, it is 2 things. Say you be pesika. Now ye try ye kawe. And I see a Japan dia hodwa. Company and I ready so in Sabato Evans. Uyambesho. This is it. Share. Yo, Shadiwi. in GPGC
GPGC versus the government of the Republic of Ghana. GPGC was represented by James Willan Casey. Nese ono ne gina company ya samri. Omso mi pa bone fododo. Na Ghana se ni tie betimi ensa iska etua. Wo mo jisika twitwi di. James Willan Casey. One Catherine John. Ena omo Access Court Chambers. Eno mko gina eye GPGC. Anemu ano mu twitwaje omo. Instructed anaso mo koma se mo. Instructed by Stephenson Harwood. Ghana was represented by yenye new attorney general because who Stephen Houseman bi wo.
Go on.
Omina be.
Go on.
Huh?
Go on.
Beba. Ya ireshafo.
Me be.
Okay. Eno na de to so no.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Who makes me doubt because who real researcher.
No, you can't doubt me.
The whole year mean to me yenti me. All right. Okay. It is said the Ghana new attorney general. Yes,
Maminka Winchell.
Casey.
Maminka Winchell.
Yes.
On May 24. On May 2023. Legal counsel the Ministry of Finance. Etro after receiving a mail from GPGC no. Omo try to come on say lawyers are omo firma ebe representing Ministry of Finance. White and Case.
Lawyers are now lawyers are representing a year GPGC no. Every Access Court Chambers meboa. Stephen Houseman, KC and Luke Tadashaw. I'm representing Ghana no so free Access Court war.
I'm telling you.
Meko.
I was here. You chair Hamba.
Akoma FM.
It's come from all kinds of reasons. NBC wanting to destabilize your government is one. There are people who are also looking for jobs.
This is President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Mampani, one can't ask me you. One okay, one Ghana for policy, you're reshuffle. In fact, at a point, one Kasa Party, NPP General Secretary Krano Ebenu. You get it? Division by in the party's members of parliament. Division by were appointees. Because at a point, Ashanti region MPs been cross original. Said no, there be a directioner aircon. And yet, at that time, I'm now say if the output no ya, either say two, one more fair for reshuffle no. NDC for one person or more destabilize one kaswa buying. Number two, one more teach one more pejumaya and I go send go 40 and a dreadum. Hey, Monka man penny what's in the wutie. If the output na
Akoma FM.
That say your ministers, your appointees have been outstanding. About your Juma. At the time we're calling for
noise about this. People are making a lot of noise about this matter. But several of the people who are responsible for assisting me to steer the country out of the difficulties that we inherited and out of the difficulties that have subsequently come are still in place. And many of them, for me, have done an outstanding work. Their output has been considerable. And that's what I look at. The issue about reshuffling or the performance of ministers, it isn't as if it is something that every now and then my mind comes to. It's a daily preoccupation for me. I'm required on a daily basis to ask myself whether the output of particular ministers is up to the mark. I am the final authority, and if they're not up to the mark, I'm required to act. But if the output measures the expectations, then I don't have any strong reasons to heed the call. I'm not disputing that there is quite a lot of attention on it, but I also think it is important for us to have a really holistic look at this matter and be certain of what we're doing. But as I say, no.
Mampari, Asamiwana can brofo, or say, or appointees, or ministers, or more aye Juma. Based on this statement, based on this and other statements, Mampani, we make our appointees, and then Ghana for say, young country on a place. The output of some of your appointees at the moment, there is no way our country Mampani output no aye.
What would be the basis? I mean, give people a job. If they can't do it, yes, we remove them. But if they can perform, why would you need to get rid of them?
This is it. One many pola Juma. Also one year Juma no. That's one year Juma no. Fair enough. But 1 year Juma ni dia. The beer way si kwai. Mampani wa wanu muton. President. One kasi wanu muton. And Mampani Danko Akufo-Addo. Ghana discussing for about 3-4 months. 2 ministers, 2 appointees of Mampani Danko Akufo-Addo. 2. Lands and Natural Resources Minister. Output no aye clear. Mampani, the output yen na be. Open so who be. Kora, wako who be. Yen ya who be. Ghana for the one who be. And so say, this is the output of Mampani. Only measure the performance of your ministers, the performance of your appointees. This is the output. Mampani, a clear. Say, you can't and you didn't measure. Say, you can say, at the end of the performance, and the previous sorry, who assess you, the Senipani Juma. You cannot listen.
What would be the basis? I mean, give people a job. If they can't do it, yes, we remove them. But if they can perform, why would you need to get rid of them?
So, Mampani Danko Akufo-Addo, the Lands and Natural Resources Minister is not performing because the output, you know, Yehudi. And so I say Yehudi. nsase a yɛgyiri gu yɛhu bi lands and natural resources nneɛma a ɔbɔ adeɛ de ato ɔman Ghana yɛn nsase yɛn nsuo at this point mampani if indeed ɛyɛ output na de bɛgya or persons there at this point
FM 87.9
gyinapɔ afɛli yɛn at this point gyinapɔ afɛli yɛn mampani number 2 if said the output of our point is now the measure one performance here mampani at this stage sports youth and sports minister were fairly Ghana for of course you say what take a decision what does me say the LSA boss but mampani the solution my Ghana at this point so my Ghana you Ghana my Ghana mampani ku for time building stadium ahodoɔ ɛmɛ gyina ne nan so at a point na kyɛ sɛ even in fact kuroma kora no na okɔ colleges of education ne other senior high schools a na training pitches kora no na training pitches kora no na yɛtumi de organize event ma ne yɛ ɛnɛ as you speak ɛnɛ mampani ɛnɛ CAF si Ghana ha Ghana yɛntumi mmɔbɔ ɛwɔ kurom ha sɛ international black stars a ɔmo bɛ kurom ha ba asantemantam ha yɛn nyinaa yɛbɔ sɛ kɔsɛ sɛ deɛ mo ma no at this point mampani if this is the output sɛ output of your ministers appointees ɛna ade measure ɔmo performance yɛ mampani at this stage the youth and sports minister failure yes nano ɛbɛtɔ dwa sɛ sika a yɛkyekyia sɛ yɛmfa maintain yɛn stadium wɔ kurom ha sika a yɛkyekyia all of them I mean of course the NSA boss have a role to play Mr. President sɛ NSA boss o kwa sports minister also do HDB.
We can be the basis. I mean, give people a job. If they can't do it, yes, we remove them. But if they can perform, why would you need to get rid of them?
There are a lot of things that mampani waka o. At a point mampani umachi say, na ye da, suye kuranda hwa ye be da. Because he told us, a catch our point is at the time 2017, say masa, upe huenya, upe sikadia ma watowa.
I've said it and I'll repeat it again. Those who are coming to this administration thinking it is an avenue for making a lot of money are going to be disappointed. They better go to the private sector. That is where people make money, not in government.
So, mampani adedanko akufo at this stage, because the figures, because the evidence, Ghana for the Biano and no Shaka Ghana, or that's a black stars match also Ghana, Yamabo Kruma. Na see the minister biko to baby. Na you're free one. You are better negative. Company, he is not performing. He is not performing. And for that matter, mampani woni eto abamao kroya e ka kireo se wo ene eto abamao anti bibia be wiem anto abamao minister bia ya anto abama udisi bia yen aba eto ye eye apart from odi eto ye assembly members there mampani ayewo e na asem di ho a ye de brew if indeed said the can say the performance, the output, and now the measure how well fair and ministries and I say offices they crack the whip.
Ghana for to Abama and Adudan Kweku for the Antoine Money per car won't be a 2 million demand watch to be a move biara. But you can who say woman watch a chama will be anywhere did to me man no count. It's me nana no. When him say me no fit, nipper to everyone why you nimbra me new up. Adam no near free fan number 77 and son I was about my boy Nana a champion water tower over London Yamano and Namno Korean Techinum and son I was about mo ba begina biwa ansa sa ba ne oti he obrose da me lawyer no me no na ko ni nyina ani akwa bepim ne enu aso nkrofo be ka kire so won po asem enso wa anya ntungo ka se da bi se dem se ne tie de ntisa me de kakra ne se me de futu panam de be ma wo de Ghana fo pani adwuma de pani ayahwe de pani nkoso enu ana ye hwehwe de tro aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen obi gina TV3 so wo ka kire nipa na wo se wo na TV company fo no kodwa ma ama ko ka chance abanye de komni ebufuo na toye na asa ko na na do so ka chance komni ebufuo so no so ba no anye de komni ebufuo be sa to wo ho nim de we dre wo mpesika ye hwebio enti se ko hu na ye adwuma no yi edin ko ana se wo pe de be odin be ko mu sa ampase wo mampanyi bi ba ne efre na do da wo ba ye ga na yi
mine na nkasam wo ye consultant de every na the mining and then the entire the say committee na mpeni setting up one opportunity any committee na share na this the last one by one opportunity na share
me nkasa kwa me throw letter Akoma National Security Minister regarding solutions able to solve this menace now I'm frame me but I'm so many inviting me but as at no going frame
Ghana problem will be about the dream
87.9
is it that one abaning putting front tiase how a mind will be saying and as it ability. Number two, where I hear you so be I home and away from Anna.
So don't matter what I say. First of all, the I make a sassy. We can move your sister station. Ghana honey, every sector is being mismanaged.
Every sector.
I'm telling you the truth. We are aware. Saying yeah, environment and chaos will be come of it. Look at this is the trouble. See the depth right now. Cocoa boy, listen, let it be. I don't want to do politics. Let's go to the street. The point. Mining. I think so. I say UBKT was I've been following discussions. We do some media for the man say issue near the one say.
Okay.
And problem sure I say. We see problem nasa. There's no way to win solution. And we now for about 20 years fighting Galamsey, we failed. Well, the people we give them the door, they don't understand the situation.
The ministers.
That's how we are not doing politics.
No, it's not politics. It's not politics.
They understood that.
It's not politics. We say pure politics. We say pure politics. Now you discussion here, and there will be one champions. Or say catch them. And yeah, it's not about politics.
Did you say problem with now we see problem. How can you get a solution? So what's here? You have to get a solution to it.
For 20 years now, you will be able to problem massive.
Let me go to my points. I'll pay education kakra.
Okay.
About the mining. Mining there was second. Ghana in small scale concession. We have a large scale concession. Small scale actually is for Ghanaians.
Okay.
The large scale you can involve foreign investors. Large scale were stages, proposal, prospecting, lease. To be frank with you, no can go to Ghana and no senka proposal would tuna. About consular apply, then you will be given a prospecting license. Prospecting license, that means mineral commission also said go to the land, go and prospect and find the areas a good year commercial quantity. Okay. Go to my university, we are going to lease. We do the prospecting, we buy reports. After the commission, then after your report, you see what discover commercial quantity. If you say we are really 200,000 ounces of commercial quantity, all your calculations are we invest in this car. You want to go for the lease, then you do the lease before you start mining. And on those every concession, you move alluvia, collugia, and hard work. They're different. There are so many ways of extracting it. You alluvia now. You show, and gold from gravels. You only deep pits, then you take the gravel, gold from gravels, then you wash it with a washing plant.
Okay.
Colluvia.
Okay, colluvia.
Colluvia normally talk to them like
87.9 Kumasi.
I know call from my info contact. I don't know. This is my route to million washings. No, rock. no be one of us na stone we go be hihye bo ntie blast no we no da crush na wakwanya no process then you recover the gold sisi amo
na before so the cause say obi ko prospecting we are I'm so a report na report we no say report Minerals Commission the common say the bia o kwa na receive
report normally first of all Minerals Commission in fact should no obi a concession Ghana you know maybe when you give your last scale concession
7.9 Kumasi
you die buffer ko concession should dem ko na you die buffer
and say you just say they are 100%
away from the by the way in the process now we discover say good sample no consumer there is a way through Water Resources Commission Minerals Commission we to professionally I ensure who apply on the wall professionally I direct you soon can now go to the before I activity ensure any my own ensure professionally it's done everywhere you can relocate the river nicely we critique canal amano na ko da ho no ayi wuma nti any dey say about Minerals Commission no something should be a concession and I you need to show me be a concession no landscape concession can show the no buffer away from the river sa na say that's how is concession we are we try to say you should concession and come o me buffer atwenchen so na what it
so they be conclusions
you show me my judges judges Makasi several times there is no need for negotiation well Minerals Commission if you show me a concession now you can should be a dredge is show me a mine we know what concession and that's a small scale really Minerals Commission state because there's losses all minerals and resources forest resources everything is invested in the president of Ghana if we are Ghana we show Ghana for there I had that government of the day na say well we dey for we show me their concession which I'll testify for that Minerals Commission only for show me their concession it is so obi akọrọ get the show na we need negotiation one of the major confusions these guys are not part of small scale mine they are not part of concession because you should inform me their concession you know they own a concession in the river
Kumasi
it's what I'm saying
illegal
illegal more than illegal only your state na there no say state na there
I see
and that's why you're all complaining so black vote is I watch it I'm starting fresh what are they doing about it we shouldn't allow them yatino ye shasa I didn't want to be practical. There were state institutions, the resources are there. You have the armed forces, you have the navy. What are they doing? You show me no commission from media positions. So no matter
Akoma FM 87.9
flash them out without any negotiation.
okay now they from the types now
Yes. So what I'm saying is in the last proposal prospecting and lease. In fact, like or say we hear prospecting we know the protocol. They do lease and sana you have the right to mine.
and you can say this is a grant to the law.
Yes, you apply. So the report, you go through a process and you be given a mining lease. That's when you should be able to start mining. As for the small scale, as soon as you get the license, it comes with mining lease.
Okay.
And then you go for operating permit and EP other things. But when you
Akoma FM 87.9
we are all involved.
Okay.
We are hypocrites. We are on the seed from the Chinese. The Chinese, I don't have problem with them. I see them as investors. They won't go. They came to Ghana. You need more. I ignore that. When you give them the rules, they will follow. They are. Oh yeah. So we are concession. We are managing. We create. We record to that. But here is the case. They don't give the good advice.
But now this understanding say
87.9 Kumasi
say large scale area for foreigners and a small scale area for Ghana for.
It was actually for Ghanaians.
How does it happen? Say, Ubekwa could do the China small scale mining.
Even with the community mining. This flagship projects our government in during the first ban. As small scale proposals say that community mining actually was for you anka only to make excavator on the pickaxe na be so you propose community mining. Now most of the times like concession you could realize cases.
87.
The discovery will be a Nka, you need a buy na can buy through the MC. You are forming community mining. Then ka, yeah, said you or scatter country on face excavator and washing parts, but we would my excavator for maybe 8 hours. Maybe you no see board, or my boy is board, no wash, no what to good, no. Maybe you want concession, I say go, no good. Okay. Me George, me you are when you know excavator me to my normal washing. Me you want concession. We need the community mining, the end of giving to Chinese.
Community mining.
Oh. It's just a new so I don't want to go to this paperwork in here because with the coordinates, you know. With the coordinates you can track. So let me go to my point. So this money
but the question say then Ghana for na a day a coffee China for ba. And say how do we because must say idea small scale mining I will say a year for Ghana for now a foreign national. It's baby.
Understand they say
87.9
say large scale a year for foreigners and a small scale a year for Ghana for.
It was actually for Ghanaians. Small scale mining licenses for Ghana.
How does it happen? Say Ubeko could do baby not China ni a year small scale mining.
Even with about me community mining. This flagship project our government in the buy during the first ban, our small scale proposal say that community mining actually was for you nominanka on to make of excavator on the pickaxe na the man so you propose community mining. Now most of the times like concession you could utilize cases into you discover baby a nanka you need a buy na can buy through the MC near form the community mining then ka bia Sir John ono or Skaka couldn't to on face excavator and washing plants, but we to my excavator for maybe 8 hours. No day you load, no way board, or my boy is board, no wash, no what to good, you know. Near you one concession, I must say, John, then the group. Okay. Me George, me were one year, no excavator, me to my normal washing, be. Me one concession mine. Even the community mining, they end up giving to Chinese.
Community mining?
Oh. It's just a name. So, I don't want to go to this paperwork in here because with the coordinates, you know. With the coordinates, you can track. So let me go to my point. So this morning, me.
No, but I'm in the question. Say, then the Ghana for na a day a coffee China for ne ba. And I say, how do we? Because was say idea small scale mining na. I was say a year for Ghana for na a foreign national. At me baby.
Yeah, Martin say after giving you the small scale concession. On my true say you can take mining support services.
Oh, okay.
Mining support services say who say you know a concession as a small scale license. Who niska na Indian ni bi na Chinese ni bi wo machines you can go for it as a partnership. So they come in as mining support services.
You don't leave it to the Chinese so mama but the equipment ni mo na kwa.
They mo can different mining support service on no equipment na there no. So it's given to you then on partnership.
Okay, so in this situation, see a call na say China you know damage resources say nsu nuegu a onye reclamation why na wose mara nini
this is the concession owner. Every concession has a coordinate.
Okay,
every concession is like a car license. You don't know what car is, you say what could you say I'm car normal could say I can no say John there.
Yeah, so
every concession have a coordinate. So one I can remember say getting it 100% legal considering the situation a very difficult. You see me and the what I decided to propose on the light skin I classified it as a semi-legal. For semi-legal needs legal because a situation we cannot solve the problem. Into getting the concession on there is a coordinate. It's a China you know what fun one partnership no more. That's a China you know one katam. We just pick a coordinate of that area. We know who owned that concession and the law go after him.
And coordinate no yeah establishing at what stage? Oh yeah prospecting na. Yeah more coordinator na say a lease no at that stage na ma.
Every license, small scale licenses, large scale licenses. is that
no person tell say si enfa license ni ma wa yentimi entry so records and I say prospecting crowd it because they say be more prospecting omode mine.
Listen, proposal the first thing before you get a license, you even start processing, you know. Like Akoma FM Hamaba, I mean, who say land be there. I'll pick a coordinate. Then I'll search from the Mineral Commission. Then I find out to say, Hano, Omudi Amubiana. So when I search a commission, say it's free, Omufamubia. Then I'll bring my surveyor, make a site plan of maybe 25 acre. Okay. That is a small scale. Or 50, if small scale starts from 5 acre to 25. I bet become a large scale. So that one depend on me. If I want to do a small scale or a large scale. If it's a small scale, I'll pick a from 5 to 25 acre, make a site plan. Then I will then take it to the Mineral Commission. But I'll find out that this area no, is free. The commission has not given to anybody for the minerals over there.
Okay.
So the call Minerals Commissioner, there are processes and fees I have to pay. Then I'll pay. Then you go into the system. So they have a record of the coordinates. And this licenses, you go with a registered business, which is your details before. So that's why every concession have a company name.
So in this case, obi antimi kanche say mine na ekoso. You name owners of those areas.
Oh, why not? Unless it's not a licensed area. Now everywhere is a concession. Apart from the cities near there, no. That's why even now forests are being
including our forest.
Which that one I don't really go there. It's every concession piano is easier to track the owner down. The records are there. The data is there. He said in America, no, me go into the legal 100% legal because it's a situation. How do we solve the menace? Going forward, advantages. Disadvantage. Advantage you say it creates employment. It sounds to generate revenue, create production. It sounds to bring foreign exchange. Ghana this year, you do 90% services. I mean, our services are. They be also buying discover. But no so say you generate revenue, you generate foreign exchange, you create employment. So say then, yes say environment, no. That be. Nti or say for kwan able to my responsible because the world economy need gold. Disadvantages. Yes, say water bodies, which is true. Land degradation, the land, no. Insurance some catch it. Insurance there. Dredges in there. The government should not negotiate or so flush them out immediately. On the land, it can easily be reclaimed. I didn't see ni yenu anomo omo involve in galamsey ya kan na sro mo ye employment asemia so don't it will be eduma na ehun and it's not easy so wo fa anyamfre eko bugoswa omo no de na ye Colovia ani bia omo su chanfan buduo na hu to mu gu ho over 10,000 we shall site back be board nkotin be 400 board be nipa 4 na ho nipa hin na wo. Do you think, say, in Kenya, other avenues are be creating good employment? Are they going to risk their life?
Say at a point, okay, when you any politics as somebody common you dinner you be free more, because at a point, Abanika say Abani started corner or the alternative livelihood support programs we be buy. Say o training mabuna omuwomuno. You ma from training omo. Who are you drones Emma omo. If you cry say you be more trackers they monitor movement of Sardine Evans. I'm right.
You are right, but wouldn't be Senor. The reality is this. Will be our mind, Sika Onyani Day no. A bind to me creative job will be able to me. I quit Sika Nipa Benyani Day. That is why the introduction of the community mining it has worked well, and it would have been the most appropriate alternative.
Okay. Nti meba hona. Unsa for safe na do fidi ato a. Pani am need nkomo. A mining consultant, if any George Arthur. And an pay any need nkomo. We want to understand it. And anybody be wa kan dey a. As ade na nkasa no. Coordinates be an answer a site be also you will be a say asmesina either so why apply and I say yaman prospecting no information ewo ho George sana
exactly
ewo him for minerals commission
minerals commission na company no register so register January kwana
and so
but coordinate ni there normally ewo minerals commission
okay
minerals commission one for site plan and kwa there's no way obey concession
okay now we can jobs Nana make livelihood support programs in there alternative livelihood empowerment programs I think that is the name by so engage more drones here the ba mo so manfo abaye ho dwuma so kai say training nyina sa ne mane nyina akoso nti
drones the kind no omo dey boss for me say honorable case it's not true there obi ye dwuma o mines no na school hu nti hwe so John just 25 years ago no took Akoma so ya they were all into farming what you say even though no and yeah but no you okay we sat down for the introduction of this mining and that man is we yet now we high most from now 20 to 35 or a miner I'm now going to mining on top of that most of the land has been degraded we say farming farming but go to US other countries are rely on good farming and farming I say John Akope ebusia 1 acre bi no half acre bi no odua banchu the state can invest industrialize mechanizing the farming sector now you're very attractive farming American na banchu say John one tell you cotton cotton is farming yes you can cocoa you can can't do large scale poultry farming it's not necessary say individual or own you go there and work for salary can't we do it why not we say you can tomatoes the type of farming I'm talking about is our livelihood I say one say beja bibi ni kudua na dabi it's time since you can adwuma sem on might be an ho ya din bia is agriculture na be my raw materials then so you start you say invest you mechanize agriculture sector no ya ye now invest the next phase will be factory because now we have the raw material
87.9 Kumasi
we create job chain it's that kind of a type of farming say peasant farming ni people wakwa na de no on ho asam na make am
okay
that farm so kwa ye wie kura no he you see any no more the bank be mountuma obitima bantuma ho no decide the price look at the frustration look at the frustration
but guys just
so they use to go into mechanized farming
okay
yentumi true technology yen be farming who the addition from be into here we can do it that's how the nyame or say state now we are investing heavily in agriculture that's vision we are the next phase is factories because we have a raw material now agriculture make a bank ne ebunko no hasa na make or say yes class na price yeah agriculture na cotton and then the visitors are companies
exactly
before we were having them in Ghana where are they there were 2 sugar factories it's Charlie ni commander where are they say sugar factories no wa every be able to make different this is we eduma we so mu bia sugar cane say John abana ya land bank no we call person we bia sugar cane o ma mo 1 acre we bia we say we na we have say we do sugar go we nko
koye so my yeah now we can about the disadvantages I can announce
yes disadvantages say water bodies now land degradation reasons bena in crofo ya can person here ni employment say me you go say can was me ya can we can say oh that is not like that I know I'm in the industry I know people look for job Ghanaians are not lazy but the job is not available you do not work in service so trade unions for going 80% of the service aban ko they don't generate yeah the environment yeah kasa this sector no it generate revenue e bring foreign exchange support economy no but don't just say environment no or say responsibility solutions remember what the question so but person you create and I just want to do so after then we go to the main point will be some questions now we'll give more solutions solutions you show so as me going forward now buying no as soon as possible all resources also the military no on fair more no pam
dredge for nya because aban won fan show no obi a concession we ye small scale concession owner large scale concession owner asade kono won fan show no man kono obi akoye dredge so a state ne dia na state institution and military and the police in quite that on dem do point afa and that institution asem no communities no so the chiefs should be educated because I know and I have an experience assemblyman for being chiefs no diska these people live in the community hey dredges no omo me ready omo bet no krom wo omo foreigners
you have that
there are villages around these rivers they sit down they know they omo diska himfuni diska ahimfuni bi diska assemblyman for diska na so want to say this you are seen for sure omo che omo boys assemblyman we come so politicians need chiefs so make but then you say abane ye no wache no nipa na boni di ne yache ne ye 7 di kan ma ko di man ko bia be state
87.9 Kumasi.
2 forest and so mesre forest no just apart from so many oxygen in Framapa no it stands to serve as medicinal in dua bi o is more than 400 years more than 1000 years they say e be dan dan na no mu di jahe esa no mu jahe now on it's not only the mining timber companies so mu twa na yen afforestation no so mu hwe ni
okay
there say twa sa mu so mu ye afforestation no so mu hwe ni me ma minim sanka ye twa no the more be concession as a compartment there should be a backup plan for reforestation by moment me alluvia mining in the forest and them support it.
Akoma
okay. So what's the LI 2446
was passed recently.
Yes. What is the call?
You see where the thing is coming from. I don't know 20 years ago I did some capacity that airline. For what?
I will go where there is no path. I will leave a trail.
They are not part of small scale association. They are not part of large scale concession owners.
Follow where the path may lead.
So that you can work on it.
I will go where there is no path.
If you can pay the cost.
I will leave a trail.
It's happened across all sectors. Mismanagement. Kasa ne kasa. What do I say? You show for mobile concession. When you show the fugu bema camp gu compress then no more.
Omo ye bibi. But
this is a national security issue. I dey say even young gazette in show no as a national security zone for soldier for no. Near more resources. No more hwe so man. I dey think forest now mu sunu say forest no Marco pass LI. Say you pass the penny ma
LI 2460.
I dey some pass here. I dey use problem you solve here. No matter pass LI. Can minimum say forest and mines there should be the underground mining, and they are the structure any a little.
Okay, so the whole kind of me to us here. Not just say Obia Obeka say because we share organized labor statement on the by Obia Obeka say ban small scale mining. I let me say the panel NTSC internal cancer.
I'm telling you the truth.
But it's not because also say leadership, and I'm here to this point to be a call say this is the approach or say the call. It's not about that. Because a coordinate said the whole can say or coordinates and no be me wo nipa wo no mu yemodwuma. Let's say betima trace all of them are. Now I mean yentimi nya responsible mining na. Ade hardwin.
Sir John, say America no organized labor. I want say we can say when there's a problem. No one see problem and I say there's no way you get a solution. Okay, I don't like. I want to. I think I have a site plan.
Akoma FM.
Every concession have a good coordinate site plan. It's clear. I can show you some on my phone. Every concession. So the data is with the Mineral Commission. Every place is, which is a concession, they know the owner. It's the owner who never want kataswa. They can easily track him down. It's organized labor. Someone more can. Me mean someone tiase. Someone tiase. Someone tiase. Common kasasa. Where yatsena homa industry no. You could do music ashim. They thought say a legitimate business. You could find to excavators. You come magazine or more ton parts na there. It's young is the government ready to settle all these people because I know from no official legitimate business because states not allow it. It's because say in a bar when there's a problem, you have to understand the problem and see how best we can solve it. It's solution being said.
So do we have the will? Do you see say whoever everybody did say from Kosisoro Ministry, Lands and Natural Resources Ministry, say a lease no a Kokodu Ministry
minister
on a sign lease
lines is be minister on a commission process be more assess you be area
na the
finance on president
in the Minerals Commission will advise that the may be approve it.
Prepare docket na come minister of the day no
the say minister who say the ekosuya. Can we say the minister cannot be linked or to be blamed in this process, Anna?
No. Wouldn't be the reason why. No, because your attitude towards work. You changing ministers be yeah, born to be. Bina memo exam, I have minister missing your mom for mobile concession. One for showing mobile concession, in fire dredge is why the minister institution responsible.
Madam President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot help but reflect on the significance of this moment, as this will be my final opportunity to address the United Nations General Assembly as I enter the closing months of my presidency. Over the past 8 years, I've had the privilege of speaking on several variations of the essential themes that quite properly dominate the deliberations of this global assembly: the condition of humanity and the state of the planet. Serving the people of Ghana, and by extension those of West Africa, Africa, and the world, has truly been the greatest blessing of my life. Indeed, being here this morning fills me with both pride and humility. Pride in the limited progress we have made together as nations, and humility in recognizing the challenges that still remain. My time as president has been deeply fulfilling, and I'm profoundly grateful for the trust placed in me by my fellow Ghanaians. It has been an honor to serve them and to contribute to advancing peace, security, and development on the global stage. Madam President, I'm here with a heart full of hope, yet mindful of the great challenges that still confront us. As President of the Republic of Ghana and as a citizen of the world, I'm acutely aware of the shared responsibility we carry. Our work here is nothing less than shaping the future of humanity, the future that will affect generations long after we are gone. Leaving no one behind, acting together for the advancement of peace, sustainable development, and human dignity for present and future generations, reminds us that the decisions we take here will define whether we rise to meet the hopes of billions or continue to let inequalities and injustice persist. We owe it to those who look to this body for leadership to act and not just to talk. The world we live in today is a stark, unfortunate contrast of privilege and hardship. For too long, the voices of those marginalized, those left behind, have been drowned out. They constitute the bulk of humanity. These are the voices of the poor, the displaced, the vulnerable. We cannot in good conscience leave them behind. They should be at the center of our discussions and our decisions. Africa in particular knows the cost of being left out. Yes, we're a continent rich in potential and resilient in the face of adversity, but we have also been disadvantaged by a global system that has generally treated us as an afterthought. We've been viewed merely as passive recipients of aid rather than as equal partners in global progress. The well-meaning promises of assistance have failed to materialize to bring about the long-term change we so passionately need. Such aid as is offered often comes with strings attached, limiting our ability to shape our own futures. Africa is not a continent of despair. She's full of great possibilities. She's required, however, to chart a new course of development. Our young population is filled with energy, creativity, and ambition. The people of Africa are not asking for handouts. They're demanding opportunities in the new global architecture so they can have access to education, healthcare, and jobs to be able to build better lives for themselves, their families, and their descendants. In Ghana, we've taken bold and decisive steps to ensure that no one is left behind in our national development, and we have shown that it is possible. Our flagship free senior high school policy has benefited 5.7 million young people, many of whom would have been denied the opportunity to learn, to dream, and to succeed. This initiative has transformed the lives of millions, positioning the next generation of Ghanaians to take their place as leaders in the global economy. But this is just the beginning. We need a global commitment to ensure that every child, no matter where they are born, has access to quality education. A world where children are left unprepared for the challenges ahead is not a just world. Beyond education, we've also prioritized health care for our people. Through Agenda 111, my government has embarked on the largest ever healthcare infrastructure project in Ghana's history. This initiative is constructing 111 hospitals across the country, ensuring that even the most remote regions have access to modern healthcare facilities. This is part of our broader goal of ensuring that no one in Ghana is left without the basic right to health. We've also taken significant steps to boost food security and economic growth through the Program for Planting for Food and Jobs. This initiative has improved food production, created jobs, and enhanced incomes for millions of Ghanaians. It is a clear demonstration that with the right policies and investments, we can transform our agricultural sector and ensure that no one goes hungry. In the same vein, our one district, one factory policy is transforming the industrial landscape of the nation, generating the structural transformation of our economy, which is our major strategic objective. In addition, Ghana has embraced in full the teachings of the Fourth Industrial Revolution and is actively pursuing an agenda of digitalization. Under my administration, we have revolutionized public service delivery by integrating technology into governance. From the introduction of the Ghana card, which has streamlined identification and access to services, to the digitalization of the country's land registry, these reforms have enhanced transparency, efficiency, and accountability. Digitalization has improved the lives of ordinary Ghanaians and has also laid the groundwork for sustainable economic growth in the digital age. And let us not forget the strides we have made in enhancing the rule of law and governance. Through reforms in the judicial system, strengthening our democratic institutions, and promoting transparency, Ghana continues to be a beacon of good governance in Africa. We have enacted laws and implemented policies that uphold the principles of accountability and ensure that every Ghanaian, regardless of their background, is protected by the rule of law. Madam President, it is impossible to address the challenges of today without speaking of the contradictions that exist within this global institution. We gather here to discuss peace, but wars continue to ravage nations. We speak of justice, yet justice endures. Take the Russian invasion of Ukraine, for instance. Millions of lives have been uprooted. Thousands have lost their lives, and yet the Security Council has struggled to respond decisively, just as it is struggling to make a decisive intervention in the tragic ongoing war in Gaza and the Lebanon. The structure of the Council reflects a world that no longer exists, and its failure to act in times of crisis raises a difficult question. What is the purpose of the Security Council if it cannot intervene when the world needs it most? Reforming the UN Security Council is a matter of fairness and necessity. The current structure, created in 1945, no longer reflects the realities of today's geopolitical and economic landscape. Africa, Latin America, and South Asia remain underrepresented despite their significant influence on global affairs. This lack of representation undermines the legitimacy of the Council's decisions, and the use of veto power by a few permanent members often paralyzes its ability to act effectively during crises. Reform is essential to ensure that the Council is more inclusive, democratic, and responsive to the complex challenges we face today. The world has changed, and the Security Council must change with it to maintain its relevance in promoting global peace and security. For years, I've championed the need to reform the Security Council as per the Ezuruni Consensus, the common African position on UN reform, which calls for Africa to have permanent seats on the Council. It is incomprehensible that a continent of 1.4 billion people has no permanent voice in shaping decisions that affect global peace and security.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right, I'm sure Akoma 87.9 FM. Freedom is coming tomorrow. 47 minutes after 7. And I'll pay me more to more kwaba na. Enya yankre humom nyanso magana ne asantemai anema enkoye ni Edisa John my dear friend Wonsom Fisabe Kopum said non to be born. We are here for Mother Ghana. Yeah, we are here for Mother Ghana. And then Saturday. You try to say share someone now what you know. By the here see a tenacity who come on now, yes, who come here. Then putting for judgment, can you be it's not senior head it's not pay I'm not pay many one so Sohania na ye kwe and it's on a pay for Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM
Akoma FM 87.9
also share my for any share the link my for any show comment when you're breaking can Eddie Amam Bawa Saba your comment is here this morning Sansona Shamaba Edina Brenya also so comment here live on our Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. Filippo Kwabika said also so your comment is here. I try to my drop odi anano pena enya brena enya no ya boa amaniema konanim no pe benya brena din come about electoral commission on response to the NDC on my Facebook page the highlights ni na no ye de agu ho benya brena share the call for forensic audit. The Electoral Commission say the legal and administrative process one more go through no one more exhaustive and it's too early to call for that. And of course you know crack Facebook page. According to the commission, the NDC is yet to provide evidence of discrepancies to the EC. Wow! That is according to statement. The Electoral Commission within the week or the buyer now are responding to the NDC's petition, protest, demonstration, how they call so across the country. Right. And today now no pay Benya Brenaya share. But Electoral Commission say I'm inviting the NDC team. All the discrepancies are the NDC can want some let me resolve it. And until that is that. Now and a player Benya Brenia Edisan Kumwe. Within a week, issues about democracy hub or demonstration and the encounter, the engagement so far, according to the Ghana Police Service, and near my call so 37 it's here the Public Order Act. And the power the Okuja Court I remanded to go on. That is the Ghana Police Service at the end. And I don't pay you bread now. You design so on illegal mining. Galam say no one some pantomime. Osman Abdullah, good morning. Da Costa, Abuajida Costa, so she from London, UK. I say good morning, Sir John. Live at work, I am still enjoying the show. Good morning, Ghana. I know Abuajida Costa, dear enemy. Usianama pay you will sempi ekapa ya ibenya brena. Mamperi ado danko akufuado within the week as no the last address UN General Assembly. Before that, na Ghana for be at the placard. I hear a demonstration there at the Tiam New York. Over your Facebook page, Akoma 87.9 FM. Inina so awaha. Na omo calling on the president to say, "Nipa, omo ye demonstration say Galam say you so. Not possible fraction one. Company on contact with Ghana Police Service, release them. But Mampani Adanko Kufad. In fact, UN General Assembly. Mampani didn't touch on environment. They didn't touch on the state of our environment. already in himself UN SDGs kind of way in Sashasia. Well, at the right time, it's about that. And I don't know who is here. Man, very address here. I don't know who take a car. I will home. And a penny now, you're being a brand, you're doing come on. We have a study near my institute. And I'm playing Joseph Amwani Samoa, a leading member, Movement for Change. But Movement for Change is what you're creating the Akoma Electoral Commission. So, a lot of things are also setting up a technical committee. Now, all the political parties, the presidential candidates, former members of the committee now issues on my raising about the register and sounds so and Alaji Shak Chebrube and so a member of the communication team for the NPP Ashanti region, of course, Melhana paying your bidding come on. Lawyer Safuduku, member of the NDC legal team, and also Ewahano paying Nano. Yababe Trotwa Jane, now on my Ghana. And so, how I yes your contribution. I bet my boy money my you are part of the discussion now. Pay and to wait my Facebook page. Akoma 87.9 FM. Now, Odo comment at the Abre and pay. As part of the issues I pay about discussing this morning. The other side, I may not be here. Mensa Benjamin made woman producer show now pay. Now at the social media, we are live on Facebook, we are live on YouTube. You now bet not join here and I'm pay. Right, in the next 7 minutes, my main focus kakra na yenim komo and share issues on board na obetimi aba na yedim komo the next 7 to 10 minutes maybe to my focus kakra we are then we come to the studio na fe ya share na my guest atna se no starting komodie obetimi aba 032498 035 0243114497 0322498035 na yenyina so no yetimi adin command pay oba no ayi ntentiem dia maye then we move on na yenyina so ya share in fact anopay bizamo wa ha penifo kan so e wa ha yenyina no ye ba be share na yedin komo ye be share na fi sorry, also so agent channel Odiaba 0322498035 0243114497. Hello, good morning.
Everything guarantee demonstration to say it didn't know sorry to happen yesterday. It is when I have the system we are free or cheap guarantee for one is what. And it's on the same amount of the people making now. You when I'm the one that when it's education are playing or you are fine. The young big the young country that's about NBC.
Let us say thank you very much. But okay, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
You are honorable you, Jerry.
How about Jerry Mamintio?
Departure. Welcome, I'm sure you're happy. And not able to do for her. Your family are dancing. You did for her. And Nancy Assemblyman, Nancy Dancy Assemblyman, and Nancy Dancy Victoria. Boy, Assemblyman, or Coffin Power to Galamsey Nancy. But
I don't know all evidence on.
Yeah, make us a baby Nancy. I'm a queen, you know, I'm a coach of Romania. As what police say you. And you may have one and I did power. na me to say o man poni me freno o de me dey to show the thing na you beautiful sight we community we when we see o be 3 months be le show ni say ya na o mo ji say pa ebe ma o tia en say na me ya say ebe tia abato
right. Me that say right. I'm saying also bet me about 0322498035 0243114497 0322498035 0243114497 na ina it me edin come. Good morning. Nyame adumbo ko ba to really saying
the famous fishing secretary as well saying that the Taka area which share in the SNC Benjamin Mama tamro so amuk ayo otina ndai SNC Benjamin Mama na the Taka so dana matre adia me ka say NPC LDC in president in Benjamin 8 years which are the few NDC to the na pamla mo fishing we beer so the fear we beer program not me and I'm the fear I would be happy when you see to be now there for bana na I'm see anyone it is so trouble so I'm top on here
right me that say hello. It's okay. 0322498035 0243114497 but on your Facebook page is with me. I'll drop your comment or hona. Yeah, ma. Good morning. But you're more for for money now. You didn't come on. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. But you didn't be at the cassette. Also, my mother, you know, I'm not about to have a problem. All of you have checked you did my fashion. I stop it and guarantee. Because only one for so, now what's my free education? Maybe, Galamsey, I believe, I couldn't do it. Free education, I'm not even for so also. Huh? MPP for women and stopping and questioning. Women are matching. And then, you know, would be good. I didn't know the idea. I couldn't work like a situation. I'm not sure. Okay, me that's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right.
Yamia Dumboko.
Uncle Kosini.
Uncle.
Sir John.
Mammy Tilly.
I do in a tunnel, and I did you. Then we're not man or two one on or you or can't say, take your planet. What in the government made your mamma you cook. You professor from Beaumont, I just come to one mamma. I don't want one, yes, I do. Oh, and not traffic canon or the day or the picture of a better better too. You are going to come up. I
will tell me that say, I am but take a crowd of my uncle to the Diana and some hard you could quote to Mukosro. But in Yabotre, Najay and KSM. Hello, good morning. Yes, I'm Bacho Udini Badia Casa Free. Kwamai such a Kwamai and I say, Kwamai. If that Kwabe Kwamai, okay, Bacho on into
education starting 2017 started. I don't know. Even the not in social media because if we are stopping me, I will not stop it. Some power will go out. I mean, I'm
but as many a chat Kwamai for a crew Kwamai Kosibu, my chairman in Anope. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm in too.
Well, I say, Manado, want to meet for the because one or two of us for the letter. I know what I said, I don't want my way. There, Mr. Remember the time I and I said, my grandfather, one of the you say, and I come to what that Dominic. This after your mamma, but you don't say, of course, the judge and so forth, I read the young son, I will say. Well, not some class of person before. Well, woman, you want to, I won't say, woman, she for me. Woman, the situation, I do know my chapel, or more for one for.
But as I tell you, hello, good morning. Yes, sir. Baba, I'm into your million.
I'm a girl. I would brother radio so customer. I'm not from the same with you. Now, say you will pass. You was Ghana. Now I'm going to use my idea. So, what a mobile power. Sure, I do not would do one minute. So, if you disagree with the swap, then give us something as a Ghana mother say that. I'm a point I met you and not me to call, but the other one to go to the better than you. So, you do the open you, on Bumpa, the open you, but the other issue, Sana, Yanko, generally of it may everybody are. Not do a day, I'm not something. The month of minimum penny for what Ghana have passed again. So, we give more coming tomorrow. Can you blame me in the brain to say, Brenny? Without it.
Right, me that say. Hello, good morning. Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Yes, sir.
What's Jamal and Kasafri Martin?
Jamal, million, I'm into you.
Jumana, Mr. President, I think be an listening now the because now can be a minister, land of national health minister, no, or more Juma. And you born over Juma. To which you say a car says, we do $25,000 over continent and channel amount concession. So, Yama concession. Minister, on one manner. Don't point to me and tell of ministers. And a minister who is a contaminant, they do all you, Juman, a Galampino warrior, when you to Miss Warrior. Mr. One of the time with the class about the day and when you to Miss Warrior, I didn't because when your man is so upon your mind. I don't know what to about the car, oh, contaminant or illegal according to him, on your illegal mining. Today, a minister Betmaya. It's a deal to be seen on Kaka, and your Montino advice in paying for me.
Very bad. In fact, well, I know you're very, very bad. I mean, Jamal. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mr. John.
But you would even be a casa free.
But friend say the casa free tapu.
Yeah, I mean, too.
And I mean, count the have your phone to say, so I told my head that I'm saying something in I buy in and if we come to mine in the moon. Who's there? I go out to get all 5 years. Or brandy or me now, so be on cost I still need to say community mining at the amount of 4. Okay, I said in Coco, in time for training, we say, on the Juma. I'm going training on one of the Jumano, a show Munsum, and after the Moses, they are buying a D, a Jumana more, and on what you go at the Biano, a bank to make a hay. It is free one ever. When they are a go free baby, a will go for free baby by. If we do any MPP for one, and one say, she says, I see, I move up to walk a booby.
With us a pamina, young family, so I good morning.
Good morning.
Yamia Bumbo, compatible with the Casa free.
I'm a Casa free, I don't talk about you. You man of Kumu.
But I'm in the
for nothing than for young. Ghana, you know, it's a Ghana, Ghana, the rest of the you can floor. Any of them is a woman power, Ghana, and Yarafa. And this are the dear condition, you say, I want to go down and I don't know matter. Yes, I want to it.
Okay, all right. As a move. Hello, good morning. Yamia the move, Bibia Boko.
Oh, that's I want to try the
Parliament. It was my material.
I don't know. When I'm going to call you about for Sinadere.
In Shazu constituency, walk.
You're coming to Empire.
Matete said yes and get to another. Insurance conference assembly.
Empire, I'm not a catcher. Oh, Central Indian, the need to have now be the Akoma in Yabano.
All right.
And I will come in. I will tell a chance of what it is. Honorable Samana Boy, on so. And I did get the day and I walk as you just. I never call. There can say for John. The best say, come on, COVID by a back. I have upon another. Maybe I know it's not a TV show or say a good Ghanaians, which I say. Now, what church in a quiet before COVID, the door also a boy who buy lockdown. Now, you can say you can say the longest short distance in the Ghanaian church. Let's include the social. Let me be such a little piano. I'm going to tell you. You open another. Until you see or the other GATH. So, what the presidency got to Sukwampo. Still, I'm the same one that buy it. Now, Professor what you minister now we're going to report to buy and go and get a report to Rano. Another way in the day. What does this man of committee out of what you say? On what town? Now, you're quite the first one. That's why the name is just the first one to buy. Again, it's here. Second one is what are we going to see on what community? Oh, it's I don't know why I want this. And yet, there's a big figure, so she can afford. You know, young said and can say, you're twice here, you must support them and shouldn't yet. Now, they do come and come about the one group to you, why you are, what did you know? Now, they buy a woman, you know, let's say, even you send you my embrace, so you are here, done it, it's a couple of doer, done it, empty, a young swan. Right, let us say, Minia Mobizu can be right. I can be a hello, good morning. Sir John, now I know when I will cut me. Uncle, yes, what cut him come to do. Oh, Samuel, yeah, cut me. The American is a bit, I can't come a can of quiet kind. Can I not be exporter or the my the combat COVID and the exporter of making free education. Or the South Galantin and Galantin and Alpeti. Oh, no, I could get you and say, what is the hospital? You are not polluted water. Now you got it out for the what friends in it? Huh? Where's what is the hospital? And now you see now, Kokoba Numamba Arena. Yeah, the call hospital. You can't offer it. It should come again. But as uncle, yes, I said this time you are okay. My the last two callers now. Hello, good morning. Morning. Yes, sir. BBC. Original. Na the Americans galamsey semino Ghana no code. Do bet to galamsey ase and I want to put to him. Say or proof for maybe to be a him for no to me can say or you be a to go to us be a memo bosume say ya mejo akoya am say dem say be twakura be figa na kura e kini sra mampeni oni ayi funu kasa na ayi funu mem e basa you be to go say amasa dia because mampeni ana mampeni be be ya no ni e de ni to be ko to bi the bad dey so to ya cho ni ni pa no it is ayi funu be mu a ni say be to without some money am Meda say, I'm for my Yemfa Afrefonisi ha. Na Yem studio na Yemin Komo kakra. Yebasa ba mhobi. Ba do betima ko Facebook na wo do comment ato ho. Ene menya bra ma Facebook for pa comment to ho e be kan e de amount. Na bibia koso. Ye nyina no ye kira dwen. Na ye de aboa e ma my Ghana so akonenim. Na teacher constitution. Okay, where Maswood, Kumase Bantama, I say I will urge all Ghanaians to save this country for the future by rejecting the create, loot and share of JDM, giving the NDC another chance will lead Ghana to a doom. Okay, all right, maybe no. I say Ochia Benasant. Ken say please pick my call. Minim call the hena o fry MPK. I'm sure say enano pay obi a otomu bia no yetimi ede no akokama. Teacher constitution will say former President John Dramani Mahama stands on Galamsey raises questions. We were the recent Accra demonstrators against illegal mining backed by him. If so, why target Accra, which isn't okay, right. My entroso Masaud also said the same thing.
ɛna ɔde aba mbakyɛ ɔba Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM drop your comment yɛbɛnya brɛ na yɛahyɛ na yɛkenkan ɛde ama wo bisa mo a wɔ ha ayɛma na kɔ aba na yɛnhyɛ nkɔmmɔ no ase bisa mo a
yɛgya
biribi abɔkɔ deɛ
nyame adom bɔkɔ
movement foɔ mo se dɛn
nyame adom yɛho yɛ
wogyina mo naa so
yɛgyina naa so paa na galamsey ko no ɛgu so
movement for change
yɛwura bɛkasa fa ho wɔkyerɛ but wɔde ayi
saa
yes.
Alan Kojo Chamatin
yes
on galamsey ankasa
galamsey na ɔno ne na ɛyi a ɔde aba no koraa no sɛ ɔse ɔno ɔba a galamsey no kɔsi yɛno ne adeɛ a sesei ɛha yɛ paa wɔ maresi mu nneɛma a galamsey no de ba no ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛnim ɛde cyanide ɛna mercury ɛna cadmus another product we call cadmus. So these products they are very serious health risk to any individual be able to count. In this all no monko e bi ho na se unhu akra ne ko mu a e betima mo nya asthma. E bi ho na se fa kwam ne ba mu a obenya akoma yare. E bi ho a obenya cancer. E bi ho a obenya a lot of deformities. Mercury ne e kan ka ho ni nyina pa ho na se ikoku rasa asinimu a ebi a wodwen be se mfa ho wo da oti kuma se ana se ba bi ate hodwo tun se bibia amfa ho wo be kwa kura bi ase na ebi a anka de akono pa na wakwa akotobi na wadi wonu so afa ho wadi ebi ana apeke mercury de bi de aba abewura anka no wo de woni akura se wo ha ye de anka afiri eboase aba ye de free other areas ye de aba na ababegu a uhunu efefefe na akwa kotobi fish uhunu fish fefefe fish de efe akono de ye nkwan ya bede na akwa kotobi ebi a na yi free sa nsuo no a aye poto no a galamsey fo no asɛ no ti sa nneɛma we se nyina ya ba bekoso a na ehunu se nneɛma ya ye various previous governments ya say ya development ya kan ya akwan ye school ye we nyina obe ni nyina awie enipa na omodu omo betrem do mo hen be ba na fan ewu na ebinum ma deformed any sa na ma ebinum is even affect mental health te no nya wan say dunu bi ankrofo bi ne member of God anti ase obe hu bi kura na say bi akonum say nsu ebi tira wo obi ye buza and let me tell you one thing. Water company for economics more filter water no. Na say mercury mu a ye no nka ho. It doesn't filter the mercury. A filter is your turbidity no. Is your fee no. Woman you am chlorine no dey filter is your turbidity in the filter means you near crogen. But chemical content no a way no more to say the mercury another bisa mu a. Ye no woman run intime affecting the only woman that Wakubu pipe na de dware o de ko be de also nimu nsi o de be no bottle water akubu pipe de dware say mercury no it can pass through you get to your very because your skin any the biggest organ you have human organs no your heart your liver your kidney your other one your skin no is one of the biggest organs just betimi afem akọ affect baby is affect nti ye nyina is at risk Daddy and so nipa ba ko nyina ho na on ka se when they on fa ho hwe ade ya japa ne sa MPP for ne baby ho a sometimes me ka se omu akrachifo no bitim be cancer bi ho ya na ya hwe enura are you free a medical professional
ade wakande ne issue is not on board ade no waka
so dim be ka se galamsey no de munyai yes Nra o kan wo mu so mu bi o mu yi no
mente
me hwa mazia o si ya no de
probably you are quoting him
that be no o ko gina sisim piezo nka o mu kan da bia o ko gina sim piezo a o kan
on audio na a quote to be quote no afa because I want to be sure say the all kind is right.
O kuma simbe say we will not stop Galamsey today or tomorrow else we will lose elections 2024. Are you free?
What is obi headline why there? How do we trust?
Obi headline. One man obi yan so on kan. Fanse me di trog no so. Mon frame we nyini wan so on kan ya. O kan so we nyina ho. I imagine me say minim there. Say no.
Evans na koye. Is around. Maybe you'll find out.
So who can say me now? Who crutch near? Who ya medical professional? That's who can because of say officer we lose elections. Inti. Come see me for a day say you buy. A member of parliament for Fijasis as in Ashanti region, you are free. Has accused the NDC of sponsoring the pollution water bodies across the country for electoral gains. This is honor the free. And NDC for now sponsor for some sense with here. And you must woman ya in Yaina. Now, so who do you cancer and we see? Oh, now sometimes I don't visit be a doctor there, I would a buy and can. But be a general be a galamsin was in the bar, it be become. What I say. Enti Alanchematin policy on the Odeba is not about this election, it's about the next generation. Or not the hour can say. On Oba, the first 1 year, he will stop you ban all the mining activities. Yes, or Bandino completely, but he's banning all the mining activities. Now you have to 2 years near many. And near man was selling in a emphasis, but yes, I say reclaim land, you know. By growing something like a bamboo near now specifically young bandit galamsey from water bodies and forest because I remember you and so ya dia and na ekunya park near yam titwa na benfo galamsey course nyende no mo ye no na wo mo nye nsuom na baby na no me ne ye no me nsuo ye bibia na asem bia no na when you have a situation where a bin kura the machines na causes nsuo direct and na wo mo ye galamsey no mo pollute nsuo direct lo mo hwe mercury no egu nsuo no cyanide omodi ye ni nyina egu nsuo bi gu asase so a pollute bibia no ye no ne ade e dangerous then can so bi won gold an kutu na mi wo kwa fa so wutuo no se wutu na se betimi affect ye nyina obenye osika wo de wo benye osika wo power ndi wa mankrofo few people bi so mu kutu no mu nyom sika na mu nyom sika na mu fa mi nyom campaign na mu nipa na aka nyina ye nwu ya how do you about that they launch Martin the police ni say ye no na dia obedi ka ye se da be ya ye be ban sa mo ya clear ya ye siesi ho nyina wie no then wo mu kwan so mu koye mining be ma kwa mo nemmom so koye mining e wo nsuom ana forest mu a na se chiwa ye ma life imprisonment life imprisonment serious punitive measures because who be kumnipa na de wo enye ana ka na se o hezo obi kumnipa na ke kunibi ibwa se ehunu so kumnipa and what is more murderous than say who sends you many padu na ba be we cry a mass murder say we di duro we need down na dey duro be kwa gogu poison be ya tia is ya na ya call restaurant ni e go di no be dey poison akwa gugum ni pe die nyina awua na agi nipa no a ya dey na enye the same thing na ekoso etisi nyina akwa restaurant ni e go na obi afa ho no dey duro abegu enkwai num na ni ekodi ye nyina no ya yare ana ya wu na se chi se nipa no a enti e beje nipa na akokwa it will happen so the same way and na said the MPP for a politics you almost sense you almost say o man no ene yin sa na say e bani wie na say e wie na say nyame ya adom na say Alanchematin ba na say wo pa ho na o san akokọ yes any da ho boni we bia e chiwa a life imprisonment. Okay. Very simple.
The there will be address. You address specifically on Galamsey.
You address it, yes.
Mining in general,
and specifically on Galamsey. But mining in general, I'm in the area. I know what it is. There be American. Me more concession, but me the new gold. Me I don't like gold. As we continue process of acquiring concession in a minute. Me will acquire site. So wo bigger concession process ye fast win na wo momo ye Galamsey no bebre no dodo no a say na me no be can say community miners no and na clandestinely wo mo shase a omo ye sa na because ya politics nti ya yi ni be na dia ma so mo community mining o mo ko duru ha ba bi e dia ma wo mo no o mo nya adwuma no mo ye no be fufuro na o mo ko na nka o mo nya no asase no kura ba bi o mo ye yin no mo ago beyond baby omo license no mo kwai no and then they no kɔ nsuo no na wɔn firi nsuo no mu a na wɔn kɔ forest no wɔde forest yɛ ase hwɛ nyame adum na n'ano nsuo atɔ wɔde nsuo ɛtɔ n'ano nsuo september nye nsuo ɛtɔ no nsuo party na sisan september nsuo tɔ anadwo july august nsuo tɔ sɛdeɛ finfin nsuo tɔ saa the whole day and over hwɛsɛ ne nyinaa sisan so you see sɛ climatic change no this july nsuo antɔ august nsuo antɔ june nsuo antɔ ɛna september yi na kakra bɛtɔ so bahwɛ time ɛtɔ ne nyinaa kyerɛ there are signs on the wall says yɛ anyɛ careful a we are going to yɛ bɛbrɛ aduane bo ayɛ den nyinaa so firi saa ne ma no because baabi a yɛ nuanom mu yɛ afuo no wɔnim sɛ saa bere ne nsuo bɛtɔ akɔdua no buro nsuo no afeeli no deɛ buro no nyinaa sɛ ne nyinaa ka kyerɛ sɛ we are in difficult situations na wobɛnya akrakyfoɔ bi ama bɛtena ama bɛdefende saa deɛ wei sɛ that is smart intellectual dishonesty nti mɛsrɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ very careful because adeɛ na yɛka na ɛgyɛsi yɛn nyinaa yɛ involved yɛn nyinaa yɛ affected.
alright nti yɛhwɛ ne mu deɛ alan kɔgye kyɛm atene bɛbrɛ nyame adom ɔkyena on illegal mining and other issues on mining. Alaj
Sayon
bacho o ti saying
nyame adom na nso
nyame adom boko in fact atade dia said the message twa mfoni ato mani so no dachi bi ameshebi dachi bi ameshebi
summary ya
say bezam tro say me twa mfoni na to
summary ya betimi
me metima pam bia ndu me shebi ma anyo wa
ewie nso a metimi de nipa ko number na mo.
Oh okay na sa pombo ko dia
ba besusu na wa pam bia nyame adom
era yankopon ase menim dia but baby ana bisa amwa na di free menim se bia we touch on that na ya share what you also have on board as far as that one is concerned. Ramanu anonye major issue between him ntino he cannot place okay right Isaac Alaj meminti we
me obi din komo I need to pick all the words because me say yeah some people are calling for a total ban.
Yeah.
What was that in communist? Which I do not support the total ban.
Okay.
And Ukraine say, Minia, haven't we gone there before?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Actually, you need distraction. Right? See a copy. Ban military action. Because military action, J.J. Rawlings pencil. Military action, Papa Kufuor pencil. Military action, John Mahama pencil. Military action, and then Kufuor pencil. It is a no or China or recommending military action. Mega Chow say military action will not solve the problem.
But ban United also is military.
What I'm saying is that
87.9
or can will be a some more kind dealing with the ban. And I'm saying ban na or hono. So me okay straightforward banner. What is here? Men support total ban. What was that is it here? Media for Amoy. Mumu be very clean. You do a brilliant job. Some people also don't do brilliant job. The Sandy panel say GJ or whatever a banana. I agree. But you know, just as a media houses in a panel.
87.9 Kumasi.
What you say? You didn't see a context now. They can't seminal. Maybe or 573 baby will be 3 years. Said you some see canon. Then we can interrogate a summon our canon. Because the issue about Galamsey, it's simply illegal gold mining. That is how, if you go into the literature, that is what it is. Illegal gold mining. And a Galamsey.
Oh, said communist here. And a national consensus.
87.9 Kumasi.
So, until the end of the small scale miners, community miners, Nessa in Yamana, and I sooner a politino. When I'm say, and your more yen will zoom. Yeah.
I know more yen soon kwane essay soon.
I know Munkwane saying so. One more yen and so and so, quite on fast or more chrono. Omunsu no timi tene kobo
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
What you say? And we have to be very scientific about the whole illegal mining. First one, yeah, free. As a matter of fact, so already one more small scale miners no letter, and I say one more year on the better one. They quoted statistics of accidents nipa omowu because of road accident, number of people who have been injured because of road accident, accident. And it's
87.9 Kumasi.
But we have not banned of friends saying maybe public transport or people from driving. There are always good ones and there are always bad ones. Now, maybe if you say, as a man, if we cannot be deliberate, those who are doing mining, small scale, community mining, particularly, they are good ones. They are good ones. Papa wom. Womu tunu kwa mpapa so, womu huru no kwa mpapa so.
Akoma FM 87.9
Etono kwa mpapa so. Efa nkrofo adwuma eye bibia. Now if you place a total ban on small scale mining, community mining and galamsey, I think that as a country we wouldn't have been purposeful with what we are trying to do. What you say? Let us confront Omomutinso. Enya ifs and buts. The batch of what I say. Enya ifs and buts.
Akoma FM.
Gold won suasia. Ni enya technology a ye ni betu abra yen se nsu a. Esese ska ko na ye bo ho ban na ho. So John, what you say? And just a chinchina gold won su na se nti see kutu. Abra ye nya kwan papa. Ye be fa so a ye betimi atu sa gold no e won su. I have seen a video. A month for a mining, which is about 20 meters even from a river. But in Sony, you're very clean and pure. About 20 meters.
20 meters. But even that,
I'm saying so. There be Ghana. I'm not talking about Ghana.
Oh, okay.
There will be Kasa. You take your time. You just jump. You just jump like that. Listen, please. Any ahanya botre na me kasa me gusu me kasa wo so jump. Some of you want to hear things and just like that. Obi make a presentation. Allow the person to make the presentation. Me say I have seen a video. Did I say Ghana or elsewhere? So wait to see what is following. Please. Oh, the angel. I can't assume America because I'm dealing with technology. Now, yeah, was hard technology now. So what I'm saying is that 20 meters away from a river, mining is happening. Clean water, pure, because they are using the right technology.
87.9 Kumasi.
And I make us say, yes, yenya sir, a crime papa no a ye betimi dia to a ben so one and saying so. Let us protect gold na ɛhyɛ fam hɔ no sɛ nyɛ nko na yɛ Ghana for there are generations coming mmerɛ bɛtumi aso a yɛbɛtumi develop saa technology no bi ourselves anaa yɛbɛ import such technologies no bi a still gold no de yɛ gold ɔman baabi a ɔde Ghana na nyankopɔn de yɛn ɛtenaeɛ no wɔmmɛyi yɛn mfiri ha nkɔfa nipa foforɔ ɛna aba bɛtenam sɛ yɛn yɛnya access to it a generation a wɔmaka ɛba no technology na betimi di enya gold no either closer to the river or even within the river and saying in suno no some pempenson do then they have access to sa gold no
when yet my advance to that stage.
Yes,
okay.
And my use crude approach no eba it looks even our mining laws banning or water bodies will have to be changed.
Akoma FM 87.9
but once I know one idea, right, we need to confront all more things so much to gold normally politics and now one more gold na gold na more chrono anti woman so nania san is with a joining because yeah na can say one things but one things so ma wo tinchen wo hora unya also again technology what de be hora in such a way say emra say nsuo no nsuo no aye fi no enkobo nsuo tenemu koka nsu kase no ne nsuo ani aye den
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
so just here intermediate nsuo reserve forest you know crowd a lawyer na wa hai omo de conditioner ababeto ho say I think the president has that prerogative to say yes higher forest but hano mama lawyer ho kwan say hono de obetimi ayede obetimi enter
okay
maybe once obetimi aka say hasen so mema wo enter so the whole aspect of mining no say yen tase na banyansafo
right
my lawyer ono no wo ye legitimate mining o jeni bibia kama na yesi yapane na ono so ni investment awakoye mu nyina na aka si pe wo mu ye illegal na
Yebenyomo. Thank you very much. Alaji Shakchi Bebe. Mini abako safo efo safo barekese. In fact, anopay my encha one na wase. So mfa edwumadi ni agro kra anopay we biem kama wutie safo o barekese. Anopay da sepa. Na obetimi the messages aba live on our Facebook page. Lawyer Safo Duku ewa ha. Lawyer
Sejon
bibi aboko de.
Oh, amoni mu de.
Akadai
akabutum.
Hey. I see.
Amoni mu de nyame adom.
Akabutum ho.
Okrukra yi.
Den so abi.
Na me ofa no mo haide. Me tia wo mo. Se mo ofa se kire fo. Na mo ofa mo so me tin di na me so. Na da me ti se mo ofa agya MPP na me hu se bibi asi.
Oza.
Se wo panimfo bi di se Mr. Joseph Amo anum se agya MPP. Alan we jai MPP mi yapani ya bobia samo we jai MPP na wo hin to miya asema ya kan sa no na sam kuzo ne ya kan sa no
ehun
na ne ko mampon ye campaign na ndc cars do ha na mampon kro ni na budget so MPP vobi so de ati obia mo ni so na se asante region ni na man sem na ye kan no se don ni bra sem o na me support omo ka say yemfa total ban emra at least temporarily the only can say we are in a critical situation you say be a ordinary be na a situation na start here you bet transfer no from the onset no MPP ban him say measures no mo di to kwam no e be adwuma sabe obi aka say yen call for total ban na misconceived because but unfortunately you go say gallant stop wo hwan no it turn out to say na be party for na ye ko hye dia bo mo ama mo nya kwai akoye djuma no otherwise we wait ma catch me pa say of all the resources the committee into sa operations say ko ye ina no you will also be glad. Rather, no situation I was saying. So it got to a point that government knows they were failing. And it's a person in a young water, and I'm and the enemy Musa Abedu Samria. We are in a critical situation. Maybe I didn't do. No woman, civil servants, me bold about the country as a Ghana for. Maybe I some of the do. Ordinary Nanka won't mean nothing was about Sao, say Ghana water for. Omina good rubber catch Ghana for say. Stability level, waiting managing. And can you say 2,000? I feel you could do 14,000. Which is a seminal. I want to go package, calling in I by you. It made me feel say President, you know, I did to me now, man, no bit maybe piano. A debate pana, a preventing say, because I can't afford baby, I didn't do. When we can already compare, say, A be a Mokobi, Fita Vobi, even young forecast saying, you know, young man, Fita Voina, and it's not about life and death. But they used to say it's about life and death. Na say we say driver for we accident na o mo dey master ka say you think driver for you na nyai drive me there you think ka money for you na nyai that's life and death asem na do no mate for go dey car go accident is your money are you for it's life and death open insu yen no but you are a good driver yeah report to by United say yare dey ban ehu into many people are preventing some medical state of emergency meaning na most stop us na you because you know to identify some go for no me ligama na den
87.9 Kumasi.
Sabanika say or stop the any kind of phone na beka say yen nyina ye baby e so obi ano. That is the only way. You bet my boy me yache no. Say see me do yi. No be any man baby I me try say we illegal man. Abansu wa mama nema no ajinsem no. Say situation ajinsem no so jo nyeze bia ade no do baby bet ma so samo ajinsem no. Ahun mum. Na me ankasa ndo bia me kan say Ghana for situation na no. Na go for do. So dey na yepe no undeclared da.
They are in state of emergency.
Because Martin say some man is kind of no financial party no dumadi na.
What? We are lawyer.
You know me say and so.
We are lawyer. Oh, but what the thing Sembia. What the thing Sembia na kan sa what?
What me ko ba bia member facts on the ground to support my assertion. Because no president let me make Ghana for you die. Say no be so question.
Lockdown.
Lockdown no president let me clear hard.
Yeah.
Na say to me no man e for no. Even say to me no. Enti mama me yam fa me interest asem no. Engo ni say bi ni ha mo yo maduma kan. Sango for no na say so mo ti people mo say mo fa ngro mo ha. Enne your forest reserves na asay. See Ghana any forest reserve bia ni na asay na say ko. Enti be town sa ko December. And then this you see, yeah, ni beti my side man. Esan say, ade ya sha sia na omampani mama be free to crown. You drastic measures to take and na watch na voa you pure money na say monko. Time the consequence. And about want to make jam ni bia ICM interministerial committee. Ni na say mo set up. Me say yen ma China for esisa mu dugu im ko group. Sometimes you say loan for ya be jom dia. You better buy a baby a bit my situation.
Akoma FM.
You can't just say any man in laws or more of a can you buy. This is in a business. After the district level, 100 Madini question. So when you committee, you won't be standing man as well. In the Panama license, one find your proper man in Cobaco saying, Tina, I can your plans my baby. But see idea. I can tell you, he's a no good for the I won't say Ghana for no car in Kusivi, you know, on the party in the could now. Radio Park can say, Doctor, you free. Or can say, and I don't be Jana Jacha. You saw some banning on the also one banning 1 year. There's almost all cancer gonna for say, any idea when you was cat. Yaw near car, you will be a friend walk. A bus ever close with the Jam Quebec, but the maker say, Sikans of Libya.
Right. Lawyer Medasa, now in Manka, because I will from your end, Electoral Commission, I would want. Me okay well Miss Amo say ye man in only we can be we also watchna also watchna I also watch
car no I go accident na now pese
wait for me
o say
young queen young queen but lawyer me be this from me person me the electoral commission there and starting from end what share almost response to which Akoma commission is my petition. Then in your petition, I'm more expect to say commission be trouble so my receive more petition now anyway, and I'm also saying this in a mutual found that a day after and a commission this statement by almost say at the time I'm more demonstration no petition by and almost also go through process I'm the share filing any money identity and a man a delay but almost the response about Oma highlight any na Oma na document no do so pa but the chef point 1 answers real questions any answers call for forensic audits or see the legal and administrative processes not exhausted to justify call for forensic audit. Number 2, VMS audit trial. Voter management system has audit trail and integrity. Every voter registration can be queried. Cleaning of the PVR, provisional voters register. Regulation 23 of the CI 91 provides clear and well-defined pathway to clean provisional voters register. And also and this is a response our commission diaba. Saying na emra and lawyer dey unum sa mra imu ni hu ne manyina. Nti I'm sure say commission no say sound to say nyina wo dia then there's no need jumping it. Na point 6
evidence produced.
No evidence provided. Or see NDC yet to provide evidence of discrepancies to the EC. And then the last point, I must say, I invite the NDC team to enable the commission demonstrate at all that all discrepancies have been resolved. Now they are calling the NDC to come. Then they will let you know, they will demonstrate to you that all the discrepancies have been resolved. Ojel is saying. But one thing, and he said, no evidence of discrepancies from the NDC to the EC.
No, I don't quite maintain it. NDC, you can't time and again say, evidence be here behind them home. In fact, before say make this request, you meet him with them, you guys and all my telecasting life, and I'm a one. So why did they turn down that request? You person kind of phone who said the air can go in as well. To come over here, movie. No, you shaman saying I should be most of the no will be a movie. And they said the amount can in the air can have a business somebody. You see, I provide the evidence. Now the end easy can me academic exercise.
Oh, Samum,
I'm telling you. Emra again.
Hey, Emra.
Do a conventions na you did juma. Easy Uber I pack you the back when send Emra Paza. But say the bear, you bear hands your democracy no. Na am for you do maintenance all the stakeholders, the main players no man adian ya mamuntino. We do hana mu kan cry na it me to the juma. Enti some Ghana 42 any nipa hodo ka kuku dafo ekunku nyina kan nyina ndi dey emphasize gan this program pon e kan ke be ka sa dey political anana boa se jo wo wa free say and some starting metimi abo well meaning individuals and institutions say all about able support to this call for and what did anana boa enti bi bin kan we say nipa na wo mamu isi nko ni nyansa moko chocho we say my system no it be clear bia when the judges animal here can if your system is that good enough say it me ya bia and can this phone who's animal here can ya can mo see hu
but lawyer you understand omo legal process no any administrative process I provide I understand a credible or a final document that's in register.
I understand
when him say when the commission AWA registration be annual then obe publish ama Ghana for akwa exhibition do koshe we are the commission takes all the response feedback no akwa no aye hu adwuma then the final one will be provided to political parties. Commission nya exhausted sad because they know the final register so adena moma ono ankasa use the legal and the administrative processes na onfa and complete the process and say na ma raise issue bia ma raise na fe yedu finfi na master te e ba do mamu
time is of the essence.
Okay.
And na isi wo me hu say onye isi wo kan kure onye isi wo da da nipa nti de wo keke kan na no e yade bi odi bi time na munya ade no hu na se wa sase no wan raise na ya nto ase a e ba go fo yo na ba nti de wo kan na se nke ye ntwe na wo nyina ma and ye kan say ade na wo kan it goes beyond that ye hu serious issues a ye say ye tie rejo wo na de wo kan kwa ye do so now easy no ka say you really know exhibition about for how long everything about Ghana for that time there is animal don't forget to say easy no for Ghanaians you and I know what laws no establish easy no Ghana for you and if at any time be no you know say who say bibi cause no say be boy as stakeholders you need quite say to me as I just be more easily aduma entitia emre bi aso
so you can suggest
but
commission say suggestion okay you so say me be here betimi e dey aboa and imposition
then you ask yourself
function but you can suggest
there be so free ekuba ko be na campodia and ka ba ka se bi a adwene fufu bi o you share the various groups about the individuals including yala and about another now what is wrong with auditor o say who di penifo say utimi e fita who show bosoma sai na me bo
Alan never suggested
Mr. Omi now support the cause, no?
Yeah.
Alan never suggested.
Alan proposal is a technical committee by the commission itself with all the candidates.
You know, I link it to the auditing now. You know, so internal auditing any bamwa. A beer. They will get our points of failure. You must stand a crumb. It's not different, baby. So why are they even not heeding to Alan the Akoma? How serious the situation is? The Amoka can hear
Namonkasa as a party. We are sure that the Alan can mobile endorse. Position Mancas
Alan position and difference in so.
Difference in here we external.
Difference in so.
A third party.
It's an idea.
And a way
it's an idea. It's an idea. It is your go here. That situation no could produce. We are doing same fire stand amra. That time no so na here. Because situation na here can wrong. Anybody na plan yes animal. They are doing everything to ensure say MPP be na come na kwa bo and I'm telling you say it will not work. The people have decided already. The people have decided. So the advice I did my easy say if omo de can no so muntie nyina so fo mpanim fo ahim fo mpanim fo openly can nyina na so omo say omo nya so omo adwene so omo de bo political party be MPP dia and they must rethink.
Lawyer, until this situation mo raise an issue mo raise say register we Ghana for trouble the NDC can Obia sit back or sit somewhere and see say election mo win you know and you credible
mama can some so say John you know and for this particular election come for the betterment of Ghana. So the baby big trust others here lose lessons 2016 lose and I'm 2020 lose if you are seeing that away but we are there say nya now you try and say a year you person you be able to Ghana how you need baby a yeko you need to travel be more than 1 week it is the area you know and for this particular election there the way no you decide Ghana for this idea we can Japan can say Ghanaians decided to vote and this out MPP out in 2022 and leading member of your guy it's still pending. May I know say Ghanaians will vote against MPP. There will be a change after 7 days. Maybe I know. But you say beya said the US in a boy about so say Ghana democracy no akonkano na you improvement na man for so Asia na yenya peace na you was see no you person etra was da and yes you be winning election go it is no more you try no you can say Ghana for energy kwatra ho na say just say nwan say who your appointments na o ko say MPP sympathizers ni patrons ni supporters some go town mo a dey di ba no enti wo hwe yi pa ye mo won
87.9
ye ma isi won
electoral commission
ye nim kofo ya appoint wo makogu a o mo yan before no NPP4 ye ti kromo ye nyini bia de no fa no na we penu baka say ye nti say in the history of Ghana isi bia ba so a Ghana for ni trust wo mu say isi we da because of appointments ya na go for do ye there be all sectors wo obi any confidence go mu enti ye de ya kan yasem
okay
but the idea de ye mfa nyina e matuda
right
NDC as a party no in our next line of action I be to ensure say isi no say some of the boom
eh
I say more the boom
wow
Akoma
biant me no bia
87.9 Kumasi
bia nya be mansion
bia na bibi nti ene say ye famra kwa so demonstrate na ye bibia say isi no beti
right me that say lawyer Safuduku and maminko bizamo
Yeah.
mona matro krata mususu matro bi ten and amode Akoma electoral commission mususu mo call say commission no and set up a technical committee. Does that mean say and does that suggest say mo ankasa mo movement so mo nje the register as we speak
87.9
a provisional but musumu ni say you betimi de akoto ba
Oh, there be am betra na me ka asumdwe ho ase. Sure, o my ba ko pa ye wani ho. You don't know me de pin bibre ntu kwai kura nko Africans da. Nko hunu discrimination ya ho. Ana Togo kura nko hunu discrimination. Ana probably Burkina Faso kura de ana ho ye kakra. So me mako me ko Africans. That na my office wa Africans. Now problems are now what the car problem over
Akoma FM 87.9
but we go
Kumasi
to give me passport so we say visa be Brazil passport na dey transit 1 hour na mtefa ko yes and the nya dia Ghana ha say to the ntokwasi CSC for instance ufa Togo anyi ufa Africa so because we mukasa nkra wonte and what media ko uko form so agotonzio dia be ho dey this is the only country we have dia be a bit the problem ababia na see na ehwe na solve and we have the capacity to solve our own internal problems referee bia so na match bia problem be na
87.9 Kumasi
yeah
120 people died a split second because of whistle and this year the soldier because of bia dia wo ye it meet my pandemonium si o many pa 120 we and the nya dia SS ye di ye yasum je we di agrokra na sani ma akoso back and forth we hear this for the MPP for the bia back and forth is tangos na nkonguzi bia and ezi a eti ha mini asha isha ke kan se the NDC for kan no enimra bia mu
Akoma FM
NDC for se
87.9
demo kan no enimra kwan na lanjina matin yankopon hira wa lanjina matin be bia obia wodi adwimpo bi odwina oman ho odwina oman ho po man so dwina po man nimdie na oman gunimdie wodi eyi about process ya ba ya no dia eye chese ye betimi adopt to a entimi for how bia ma betimi aboa nyina ma ya ba ye kotuin obia woni a na so mbadwino obeka za nchepi MPP for eyi south Menja south umakoko takonum se makoto ajatum se yen reverse transfer
FM 87.9 Kumasi
yen reverse you no MPP for nkan ho azemu because say one of the discrepancies I can was in the entire electoral woman dem akwai so several chiro say enya ho nko na bi asie tibo miama kwa nia ode ti ade ni nyina within ourselves na ade enya kama man a enso na adwundwan Alanche Martin's pam no twa no moment technical work group sa technical work group na yetie no sa 13 candidates ni nyina obi anfa no representative mra yisi one chair technical work group no onu mu de nipa nsin o se na o mra meche na fe obia
Akoma FM
voter register de to about 2020 no yem famra na fe e free 2020 and 2021 e ba no wo mo my voter transfers ya ye nyina limited registration information yɛn famra voter special voting list ne nyinaa yɛn famra na yɛma technical work group ɛhwɛ ne nyinaa mu wɔn nyinaa yɛn fa so obi anya original copy yɛhwɛ ne nyinaa mu na nhyɛ bi a obi a yɛnsiesie ne nyinaa yɛn nyinaa entrance yɛnsiesie ne nyinaa yɛwie a yɛnwunu sɛ wei ne yɛde kɔtɔ aba wei yɛade ayɛ de alankyerɛmaten yɛka kyerɛ m sɛ he is the best president Ghana can ever have.
87.9
yɛame ahyira no ama no ayi a yimdeɛ a yɛde hyehyɛ nneɛma a ɛbɛtumi ama ɔma yɛakɔ so asɛm wɔ megyiri sɛ NDC foɔ ɛnni problem bi a MPP foɔ sɛbisɛbi MPP foɔ a wɔn adwene fan koraa wei koraa wɔn ni problem bi a ho agye wɔn mu mpɛ bɔne adi nti ɛbɛsrɛ mo sɛ saa deɛ alankyerɛmaten ade abɛn
mo deɛ no na ɛyɛ
would hwɛ we say is within the framework of EC's what I say we be thinking can say we dey Ghana constitution boy bra no be thinking can say entimi mo ma this is one one gram these are the omo go so abra and me say mo me nyina ya moa na sa asem ya alanchemeten dia be mfanye we say get started 30th ya na ya by 11th October 14th ya exhibited voter register na mo bia na fe ne de kwa koto aba ade na entimi nse hwe entimi nse obi akwan entimi nse obi adaje asomdwe ne hwehwe na papa di ade ebetimi abɔ Ghana asomdwe ho ban aba nti we stress ma ye nyina nso ne mfa koto aba no na Ghana fo papa we nko a ode aba no kura kire se we no betimi di o ma we so nti ye ka we nyina wo ne hwɛ no ne mfa koto aba ma no kwa oda ase ho 13 atem 13 obi abedi di wase ho enti obi
za mo simu de no
atem 13 obi abedi di wase
obi an super atem 13 be come chiro
obi abedi di wase ho
e na atem 13 ni mo
follow within na yin say jobs and cash no a brighter future for all no and the ultimate say ni nyina wo na yin great transformational plan no say great transformational wo hunu bi
na yabukiri akaya ngama
so ohwe prophets na o kan say be very important pa o say building an enterprise
87.9 Kumasi
practical steps towards building an enterprise economy a brighter future for all don't you be able to navigate ho they attempted brighter future for all
obi abedi di
power ho
attempted in there
attempted no hey attempted the number 13 no ene ye na attempt 13 di obia attempt 13 obia bedi di wase ho duduru a enhwe ba bia ukwa bompaye na maka da bia mka se aba no awokoto nso hunu se waba no a secret it is a wunya nkopon a won na kasa na odeko na nti aba no awokoto ene be kire ba bia empire oba ode ko the next 4 years wono ba so person bokoso am galanze nsu ya ubetuma to akoba bia na mo pensu ho te a nkwa wo mu ebetumi aboa mo otumi atranse wo ma mu yare bia mfiri obi mebo basa mo to aba ma lan kodwo kire maten wo peso man nim die o man ye die be konanim na o how bia ma wo mu de asomdwe be kikire man ye de nyansen mu oduro be kikire ma wo ne nwuma eni sika ba o ma wo mu na e ka bebre ba wo ma be suma gu aso yi nyambe ya do ebetumi ye firi no ma no ato no a na akoto aba ma lan kodwo kire maten
right but that say Alhaji Ishaq Chebrobe Alhaji Maminti we
87.9 Kumasi
me da say
is it you de dia akọ so I'm supposed to say because NDC atrobi
Didi kan
movement atro there
Didi kan
mo supposed to say
Didi kan your party stalwarts within the NDC
exactly
who also left the NDC. As a matter of fact, Jerry John Rawlings no cry now was signed. Did the moja and the life to no cry. And they could afford nana. Please.
Akoma FM 87.9
And I couldn't do Jerry Rawlings. Every NDC when free mukeke to one party. You were Guzik Tando. Every NDC. Please. When free NDC mukeke. Okotine party. Yao Obeda Samwa, lawyer, PhD. One also Ufrim. Frances Crowdy say she is with us. Frances SCM. Contemporary. Kuku enye doho. Any Aloto Jacobs.
87.9 Kumasi.
Enti yesre nyabotre. Somebody who has been a regional chairman before. It's not a talent. Anyway, you better keep quiet, just as I was when you were making your presentation. There be. You answer. Then he was talking about party people doing galamsey.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Professor Frimpong Boateng report page 13 and 14. Wakain. Was see one the end agenda and say omoko pescan free wa agenda ni me no. Baby a new patriotic party a strong on almost sponsor independent candidates. Ewo political strategy. Omu yusu galamsey sika edikoya. Read that report. Number 2, and they say almost say you should that sponsor woman candidates in their strongholds. I know was specifically was about Western region dear. Any galano. Woman dino hopa. HN will be a ANDs for 110%. That's why I gave you the reference. You see. Adi ayempe hypocrisy. Nyachum. Ashamoma. Mujaye bebu.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mujaye bebu amo. Tony Obin was former CEO for Minerals Commission. Was mining pits. Agadanko for Eshom Kutupa. CM Traba Mamu. Namopa wono. Ono na Ebabe Eco Minerals Commission. Da mo beti send this ya wen no. Muntu sim na muntu. Please. Please, he's on video. Huh?
For this election now for
2020 the lead up to election 2020. Oko woni eyi na koye
87.9
Kwame Boahen osenso Kwaku Boahen ene koye. That's the hypocrisy. Adeno ya je tio amafo tie yo omo andi seni MPP ye na omagana ni ye womo omo ni ye yo
Isaac yebo isi ontu ya na watwa ba ho.
Yeah, me ba nche.
Ibeti me wie na ya the next issue.
No, that's all. Dabi nyansa won hands na hit me. Oh, please. We a lawyer, mpacho kamanu tum uko court anyesa na we. Okay? And talking about financing of the party reform, or friend is saying mining or illegal mining money and all of that. Professor Akoma Boateng is explicit. And I'm referring to page 13 and 14. What you say? And that particular document, one quoting copiously. You get the point? You see, presidential powers, and you're absolute. And I'm happy he's a lawyer. And you're absolute. Until president, okay, I said lockdown, you die. Me say mining in Komwe. Literature no Rawlings legal approach military. Papa Kufuor military. John Mahama legal military. The Kufuor legal military. I didn't think that's still in zone and into
okay.
What you say?
Yanko commission no dear no.
The solutions are more professional and it's on the way. Easy.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
NDC ni nya atwom de.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And na me person could make a case with the EC. Huh? Na Martin Kofogu abontin ye demonstration. Na EC beka say evidence of crime mo di grab ontin mu ye demonstration no. I don't have it. Yeah, Ghana for be punish him December 7 rough. People that montra na munya agbena. Me anytime I met this NDC for say oh ya win here oh wait there see ya win here. When I say che adwuma kra che. Nyabotre. Mo sha se che adwuma kra che.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ebi yo mu kimpisa. Omo ne mo de FF form so a omo benya adwuma wo mo aban mu no so a che. Anyam na meka national chairman Johnson as you nkati ana be kan so omo je omo asi ho say omo na power bar omo no be mankrofo anya adwuma na omo nso omo to omo say ya che ye ni ye chiwa ye che nyuma no mo ntwen na ye nkum aboa nwie ansa na ya dwe ne che ho Ghana hey adia mempe kwa no Sir John to anya ya doctor listen so lawyer I'm telling you no I'm telling you so
lawyer allow within the time when the time is up and the time is up the time is up
me gentle sao lawyer I can be very rough
we gentle we are gentle
I can be very rough
we are gentle young
this is kokota this is not how you behave and the kwano tum na men kasa adeti na wo kasa epim me no de me yen say me trochro
you so pim na onchro
trochro na me dotu cheche dia me ntina zia kra krachi pa na obabi ebusa
lawyer tro Mr. Bibiani atro
obi a osi e friend Leonard
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
na ye poncho kakra bia na wo yam keka na wo ti wo na wo untimi transe huh what is this me say esese Ghana for isi dia de be to abonti na esese Ghana for etimi
but mano
enye me na makasa na tiako
kawasam
lawyer ba mu na tiko na yemfa nchamo saa o mamo nyamo adwen say mu opposition agbena now we can tell you the momentum is on our side. I'm telling you momentum is on the side of the New Patriotic Party as I speak to you. It's not an indictment. So what in Crawford is some man Crawford demonstration? Is it the idea we have a what me rebut? What me rebut? If you have not submitted evidence to the EC, why do you take people, to go on demonstration on the street? Does it make sense? What to come on a hang Crawford keke? What to come on a moye dede? A crampa ever see a fason in the monfaso. Why never so tolerate some more hooliganism? Why never tolerate this idea? This is hooliganism. Wasting public money.
No, but obi demonstration is so unsafe.
No, but
why peaceful demonstration are submitted petition?
Oh, sir, Anna, ya chibino. Sir, and then second.
No, there's something different. And democracy are very different from the NDC.
So give the evidence. Easy can same way million years ago. That submit your evidence of the anomalies, and let us address them. When see one quiet, on far barrier be from day one, and my make cancer same way. What you say? To the sense of okay, even before so no call but now one a friend is saying a representing nipa letter register no. For example, I can say the call for what friend is say audit of the register no is the most absurd. 2016, in the lead up to election 2016, Abraham first national vice chairman. Johnson and said, this matter is affirmed by friend say Alan's statement.
Akoma
say, look,
87.9 Kumasi.
How on earth and I was say external party, audit register, and that EC is independent, anchored by John Dramani Mahama, echoed by him. And EC the EC cannot rig the elections. The words of John Dramani Mahama, and that John Mahama said, when the main opposition begins to do these kind of things, the chance is they are preparing the minds of their followers. Na what the electoral commission exhibition no you see a to say any physical the exhibition can be online no 24/7 on to see ebekwa traba no obia betimi ahwe ni den ahwe say o register no bibia.
Right, me that say Alhaji Shak Chebrobe, thank you very much. Na na say no but lawyer once I'm interested party lawyer Safuduku, once we interested party now person how credible the thing is. I'm sure so you go online and verify. You see party won't you go online?
We are individual adwuma we party go na koye na me bada say ni na amadia so sa is intro say obi am evidence man na don't respond to na anything one ka jiro you requesting for a live telecast no omuji to mu that's the question odomonta no nka de omode
right ma lawyer my share the democracy have a demonstration so far Nkrofo dodo na de here
nkabi
on can be lawyer can be
protest nkabi
lawyer can be. How you see how said the police for handle the demonstrators taking about 54 to courts. Most of them are remanded on. Police are about what happened. Meaning so statement police statement yes the last one by no much komobi akoso na obinyim akwada bi na police for achichim say akwada ne de no woni ne maame nyina no omo bail say because of akwada ne ntino but omo charge ne say we expose akwada no to danger maame no about 50 years then the onyim no so no did not go through all the medical process also omko. There is nothing like that. And the blockage any near course na ema adiano a criminal because you went there to protest, not to block people from going to hospitals near police achichima. We sure say when you're because lawyers here you want to take that interest in this the be ambiti me ate the course one say mami ntio
no ubia ensi police for kwa say omonyo moduma ntime metranka say se police for yo moduma ni so omonyo
FM 87.9
a police for say me kan na me careful kakra because of the nature of their work omonyo wa however enema bi won so na say course no so I say timi enya kokudro ni aka because BIA no yeah in line with international practice another boy I would say the SCA no ya ko yesa Ghana as yesa ko achiu sa arrest ni detention ya ni remand ni ha ya
87.9
as ya ko achiu as a nation another boy so no na lo so say enipa 54 52 okay no omukuno nkanye omunko akon nkanye kana fo nyina ekon na e so sad say asa asoman no wa be tu ho so yi bibi no unya support woni na ye de galamsi ho asma ye kan ya o galamsi ya o how severe the situation is and no na e kan Akoma say o mutimi transit as good citizens of this country. Insurance na say can ya take it on you can zano any climatic conditions ya ye from the sea ni nyina ye forest ya say news wa ya say no in the first place no me support to protest na nipa no democracy have only 100% e ye ni brain so wo kan ni brain and so bia bi be papa bia bi say enye e dey na ko fa sa dey buy police say unlawful assembly na ba was on a block road.
But in fact, 37 Hokrano was not part of the arrangement. Routes are all agree on.
And I say abo or can you
no, but it doesn't mean I was some respected the Public Order Act. Emra no ma ho kwa ma demonstrations. Amra na na uteti aso there. Then police bet me
a charge. Na make a say. Police ni adi omo yina. Should be in line with international parties. What is the occasion? Uko bu say beat me ese da ko transport no adu san no de no adipetwa wo no police hwese obi ko atimi se be figu police ni so enso e wasade se police di bono mama ku gon fi
so figu police ni so
medical sam
o attack police
medical sam obi obo ti di boy otimi ko kra police ni so
Akoma FM
enso esan se
ya zoom se we no so no
mama we ko ade bi am police ni so memma documentary me the memma say hwebi
okay
the course as when so no they able to manage because we are citizens of Ghana or what can be one man how near the no so no eso wori de mo ye no esa ani brand ni Ghana say yes say so say ni omu they know the dangers ya at the end of the day any pe wo ni pa yare o ene me ka kidney cases ni liver problems ya e say ko so ye kan sa no enti so mo bubu da kro na e de be na zi jaja ma sa me kan kro
omu da na
the police won say mo be manage so say o say do ba nipa be kira kaka banya ni nyina na say twintwan ni aso mo say nipa 52 look at pregnant woman who say pregnant also wanyem
police for so om de ko hospital ko ye omo ko ye
oh nya no kura ni kuru so wanyem me kan kura so ni kuru so wanyem ni kuru kana me jedi wanyem say nipa so wanyem
police for so man
I don't know ko na manyi sana sana
anyway
that's a mummy hwese me yo 12 year old dey awoken e be na ye jam so nko
police for so om de ko
omo de hamani awo so
om de na on ne ma me ko ye no na was so mama because of quarantine no police inquiry
na oni se nye bibia na se ochi e police mu se ma me ko akora kan so nko mu fa no bo coordinator kan mu ko so no ko tafie kra e ko da ne fie na ne du ka se ko to bi boni bia na to na ija so e take decision na obi nyi ko ma na wuwie makura no kra hu chine kaka asa na timi ababu no fokra ji de make kan say e bia nipa no omu ye bibi kakra anfa me kwam but a police said yes say mo betret no mo to mo ase a content situation no
anything emre ye de emre treat no mo yi
and now o kan bre just what is the justification for their remand
87
but ni ben dem serious even no ya say you remand them just say under this government there freedom of speech no kra no yes I say na kan ho and no man di no go for who ya no say all banana so ntimi mo number bia ne mo no e fa say issues on democratic pani discipline issues no dey na me say how dey go be in kwa mama e pa baby bia jemu ejide mo ye no e kire say obia o genu consensus a obesa wo sori tia o man kan demonstrate etia ne mabon ye ko so bia no ntimi ye
87.9
ko man do tourists because they protesting you bunipa
have videos in be why
bunipa
say at a point na
no numbers no say
civilian
numbers no say
one numbers
protesters no say
actually say police for 54 days
masa ni pakiti bi o ni pakiti wa bi so couldn't the police have protected them so no come go what 54 pe na this year go o man continue ni bi saw enya gbe bi ne die tire pa ni pakakre bi wi esi bi ala police chemo bi bi asa ya cheno se do eni pa ya je ko betima stop na za bi ko mo do so buru mo bu nka mo so bebre e di blockage ya kan zi ye di look at our numbers kuma se kwa na e bu be 15000
mo de ma nya ma jose mo ko block baby
me say e your control measures ni dia e da kwa o ja say control measures na number e boa police wo tuma say wo be hwe mani pa na on sa de na sa But you be any money person we say me promote mo. Just because you want to gag them now, omo tin ko demonstration bi. And until the next day man go no wana bo. You see technically no. Galamsey ho asem no atwa.
Akoma FM.
What do you say? Na bi ko. Edin boni sa ne niema basa say ya. Because omo trans say sempanifu bi aka no ntia ye bedi ho beto sa akosi sa abane be san na ya temu nyina gum. Tu so be ko so ko demonstration. Say do mo yiri yi o. Me de gidi say eye ani bro no mo de yes ade no. E na nsem so mo kan eye genuine. Eye serious. E di arrest ni ayi ni nyina na ka hu hia.
But lawyer, na na do we have to some lawyer describe this idea we am mama hwe. Say mami a wase sam kwada do yo kwada.
No nkwada. No, e kana come say as a citizen of Ghana. E say ma wiase hu say baby Ghana fe ye do no yewu. E di wiase na no wa na ne ba no obi na no man go. O ma ne nyada de mo josi e ndokwa. De mo sise ko ndokwa o. E say ko no ba bi atimi say. O ya ne say nkrofo sa abodi egu ayi me bai isha abodi me bai misha bi before mo ye kifit wa manum do mo chini ade e no body be ko ba say no de e kifit na mo so away almost peaceful demonstration and the gonna mo enya na de na de ko president yi e ja ku ko mo police ko mo ma me no ani ne ba no de se mo ya ne se mo ye de mo fa no e kwa no ko trans e cycle no o de bo so mo tu fo nyina o mami enya kwa no e de mo ko fie na mo do ko sifi mo police go aka no mo do ko fie amana aye sa na se nkom ye no na on train man ade ni zianza na ka say why expose okra wotu dey danger this is police guard ni pa me bi sa dey the police ye na police go guard o say dey be here mo be prevent bibi over time so over fast me come gabi o sa sem na me kan na won ndi no
o dia na me ka ono na o dia nyo na me address you
me head pa
na o che na ba address
me head pa
say na me ka ultima say police go dey say woman say property obi for bin ka obi ndi no e dey tell ma obi kra ya kwara do sa level no to the sense say me ko police go ya arrest kwara kitwa arrest.
Do you think that at the early stage you know say can no prevent
yeah the police do no
any wa so nkwade akwai ba ko gina kra
ada ko police what do you friends don't you know we na never do anything just come stop wo ko mo wa de ka ti ase wo fe ma me say ya ba se bo mo ba kwa we do ni kwanyi yi nti unika kra ye kasa police abaisi kan abai kan ni issue e du ko fi na wa ko trans o so police aje tum say omo keep omo detain more than the required days no ana bo
no for that one say it is clear
so I don't know the police just say chum na mi bu sa ko say enu so omo bu mra so no ye ma police ngo jina ko ni ko man do mana chele ni ma bu wonu mo ho ni
okay me da say lawyer
me di ya say ye man do
me na say me sa ba ho na ya ba wi araj
so what the party colors category o profession cry to chine
the lawyer to the profession as a legal person actually
87.9
the one was a lawyer kasa say
nanka lawyer pa na kasa sa no obo say NDC check NDC atade
in line with international practice
what does it 5 UK climate protesters jailed for conspiracy to block road. It is not that they have blocked the road, but the conspiracy to block the road. 5 people jailed. Climate change protesters. One more protesting. Wiemu ensakraye ne nema kokofifa ba ehwasebo
87.9
oh
pacho whatever man
gentle climate protesters jailed for conspiracy to block major road. This is UK. Google. The details are there. What you say? And these are all international best practices. Yeah, Matana Brucho. continuously for 6.5 years. If you are now the Okoba, into your man was feelings, no interaction. Me what bridge them security man. Me in Ferris America. And we work closer with the police. So we didn't see Huna. I tell you, both men and women on the street now Boni ba
Akoma FM 87.9
belt gadgets a one home
form that so
now you diagram obema form a deceive handle rough it be so. Don't talk about international best practices and all of that. Security people will work closer with the police. And the Bruce police so handle nipa. Yeah, crown or yeah, lenient. I'm telling you. But they will be acting within the law. Climate change protesters.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Conspiracy to block the road. Yes, someone block the road. No. And what block road? And then you say road can now block you. Road that leading to major hospital in the country. Hospital only dealing with emergency cases, accident cases, casualties. And I'm happy. Now we can say, yeah, when you did peaceful demonstration, what is the police here, baby? Where do you any protesters? Only hooligans. Now me what say? Now me share this for more position we in we are. Jerry Rawlings pencil. When you were in power, not under military rule, civilian rule. I was in Legon. Peaceful demonstration by us. Students, a bradding young couple, police panthers, almost overall black. Nasa unit in the
Akoma FM 87.9.
Mimi no height, a be ni mo. A ye bodybuilders, yasha that select one police power, army for craft form on Nusa, and the beatings be on the BT man for. Nami will craft for her. Now, a first hall from the main gate in Inti. A nipa a pube work for than Yasam. Justice Achaba. Almost 15 assume and 30 minutes, not Justice Judge Achadro. Some on the Chief Justice at the time. It say at least we lived. Yes, Akoma, you can history. You have a kind. Ukabuzi adie na ye history ye be kwakọ kan na mum ye ba NDC dia enye history man ye no mo we lived it. Peaceful demonstrators MPP demonstration ya branch back one o pai nani bonani pai no police under the NDC Painani na ye woman be krama ama kwabrane
is not fair to say NDC
under your regime. Okay. When your regime we have some now, okay?
Regime doesn't come.
NDC for Emekambia on sympathize with Nipan Kran and Yapan almost say a year tomato paste. A radin yankopon. Tomato paste, you bought power 2 years per team. Sir, and Nina a branch and a pine on one. Sir, ni yari noa and a dinner coin, which are mammy no any kuna for a witchery. Ya no more may can send be men mekaka ya. Now, oh, the inquire motofia me. A duons, a crowd and some, so would woman demonstration. Sabe, what bodam. Sabin Prebiasa, what Jimmy? Sabin Prebiasa, Oko Keteswa, Una. Huh? Sir, child international for no name say, you know, they should take this family on.
Child Rights International.
Child Rights International, right? Thank you very much. And this woman taking this woman on.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
It doesn't make sense.
Akoma FM 87.9
at least police for charging say why exposing Kwadano to danger. That is police.
And he is here speaking in favor of such people. Otia, 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 Okasama Omo. Hwɛ papa bi a o US a ɔtan ɛkama kasama NDC for pa. Ɔmo frɛ no John Hopkins. Okasama mo pa. Was he? Please.
Economist, yes.
Yeah, he otaka someone pa.
Economist.
Otaka someone pa.
Oh.
Otaka someone pa.
Me said that with the publication dia.
Mamin can.
I direct said you okay.
I'm quoting Mamin can. Was he? I have followed keenly the happenings in Ghana in regard to the arrest of the protesters. I think Ghana police are more professional than the police here in the UK and in the USA. You can't push down police barricades, attack them, take their car key, and still be alive. They will shoot you. That's him. Or present Ghana police. The Ghana police, professional. So ye dia mu ye nyina wie ansa na wo ye address no one by one because ye nim samu na mu chechire
unim
and this is for the chechire
unim
oh bema and this is for and the chechire what you say
and this is for the smart democracy have for you
look it is not the same man Yera John Mahama. It's not the same man.
Akoma FM
87.9
Kumasi.
Competent court of jurisdiction. Ajelin Crawford on Galamsey. No. Oba using the presidential powers. Pardon. No, dear you mean it's not him. What is his commitment?
Pardon.
What is
Ghana have presidential pardon on yes mungu US mesimra. But we pick your case and look into it. He
did not say as you are saying.
No, but when we say presidential pardon,
me say, and come on ye dear no. One can't say your own can you can on America. What's he? One more MP fifu achichi wo magum e wo Galamsey no no ba obemi agya wo nyina what you say na ye no nkyere se oni ahoden a ono no betimi de afight Galamsey. As a matter of fact, he is more eager say obe put more people into Galamsey. Enonti media let's see, sir. Right. Demonstration on here.
87.9 Kumasi.
Omanfa and Shisheye Enemra Kwanso. Na police kasi ho. Vamawo.
That is bad. Man.
What bo rakanum? What tu car na safwa? Anna Hopkins they got somewhere you are dead. They'll shoot you.
There was one civilian and that police shield no. Pianist.
Hey.
I mean,
Mr. Abrochan, both of them can say
police shield
remand and this animal okay, but put you on the spot.
No, but when you but you shouldn't go to that extent. Yes, sir. It was to say there will be a time a police officer could go now run at it.
When my dear friends or mine say, when my dear friend or mine say,
Zamwa,
my dear friend or mine say,
or tuning Mike Zamwa, my uncle anyway, and I share this demonstration and any na vama wo ekotu kino o de hwini bi
Akoma FM 87.9
omo towing car yes omo towing
na say na tow car bi
so this is what happened omo ankasa one of the roads no omo de omo cars esi ho block no ti no so omo tow cars ni nyina free ho
na car no si kwa enu mu ana
no mo the cars na block kwan ni bi nti na police towing car no mo de be yi sa cars na free ho say be ya ombenya access nti eno na ema
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Let's kwa enu mu ana
so no we see the map packet is here
from somewhere because the videos are too.
No, I am saying that
This is the video they are
video when the car was parked. You see, where they see main road.
They no mu to no. No mu be to car bi.
No mu to there esikwan. Omo demonstrators
be
be
yes aka no na esikwan num. They no mu be to na esikwan no nchen.
O ba mu de bi block kwan no.
Because so many the other aboni ayi om de aboni ayi gu kwam. But car no American car no
87.9 Kumasi.
Sa car na esikwan num bi am de block road and as is nchen. Because because buy no when I saw it first no.
So I want to understand your person.
Oh no, but all that I'm trying to say is the car no sin chen why to it because young microphone can't na be to ana. Say na sikwem na who to there. You're right. So you have to go. And then the police mistake ya omo here and say you say police for no. You cannot.
I no guarantee, and I say
no. You cannot be a police driver. No, or hina. Well, no, every car do my
87.9 Kumasi.
When you were negligence, no idea is you condemn. They were negligent. Because who car see on ma when I driver team. Tonight, you person that car and because you know be shoot to ya. Who are really? So the negligence of the police must also be this. Be discouraged, and I said, "What is right? No. We say maybe as I was term the tide of certain things. You nip certain things in the bud. You don't allow the thing to come.
That's the point I was making.
What did I say? Because police in here car no moto
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Car key with a siani and a work for because I never why you nip
the national security minister
I never why you nipping in the bad woman once it made the same way and I said the other corporate had demonstration by you see you near my air control air sell or mining in air concern and I offer demonstration and nobody seems to talk about it.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na yes adia na SM no esa affect nipa kakra bi wo mo ye no ko abonaka e affect you man go bi ani ase ba wo mo ye no e free zo na tin e fi e ba bi ese ai ba ro ki no di mo e bi akọ iye to bi zo go go fa ko fe ke bi ki ni bi ko ni ja ma se because my back but idea cost for mommy and share
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And go do certain stage and son in a demonstration what I know is oh yeah demonstration you must also not discount some few lunatic friends ya bit my name in the leadership you need to talk to our people and psych them say this is how we are going, this is the way we are going to run it. Make sure that we don't go off tangent.
No, but Mr. Zama, share police conduct during the process. In fact,
police conduct, no comes about it. But negligence, we need to condemn it. Negligence.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Oh yeah, they are so taking care of all the other, fringes. Your police ni we are police ni we security expert wo niema abaho na for instance if nipa abaho a wo mo ye niema anya it's a self would make you say what position yourself away say at the boni bia intimacy. Okay, for instance abrande where now what na car no and we move ko reverse ya go move mo go
you're right.
What does it? And you're not there. Police
your submission this morning is getting you closer to a ministerial appointment. It is, in fact, getting you closer to a ministerial appointment. Okay. Oh, I see.
Profound solutions they get me have one more man. And then you see him pack his out do profound solution take care of the present and the future. And that is what we want. They say they very never lunch on Timana will be any Boko Ghana. Your man, your best.
Right. Let us say, lawyer, me time no, mame here na me is written about 2 beer. So, and I come for course we not much.
No, for kai, Miss Amokai, me kai. Say police Oma the science.
Okay.
And Granny na Abraham woman. Come so muntem
mame fa me course kakra me ba me wi am my be 2 minutes na wrap up. But we bet my friend. Na ye no wadi nkomo. Numbers no 0322498035 0243114497 but you ba nkomo no na oma emu ada ho so ateni nim kawadwen nyina ye mu ama ma no nkoranim ebeboy 0322498035 0243114497. Hello, good morning. Enkaus Minia.
Mama ntia mu gbe for team members na ipipi wala ko bi tema so ye ko toba ni wa da si ho afio pe ni afo ni e amount na Ghana ya chingi ni mana ye ni me ku die atoko be guarantee asema ye ke ho e ko be for so bi tuasie no ko se mi se including MPP so it is the so you see me program be na me ki afi mi dun program no the radio na mi say my baby ye tigala man ye mining e won nyina ye to obeti ayen eni ti agri bi say e wo pesa anko for the vote e ti sabri we mo nka e ye de meka.
All right, may I say hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Many am it you.
Sir, da ya me say we dey to where is the person about God? No, we are at now and so that for now so to make you know. So person need to know now you fit me that him like me that na ba say I let the oil and then the person make us na put you. This is one of my you much me ye. When ko you me na you go ma you much me because we from of the me ni pe I be two cars 2 dia. Some of my own and say mo ba say find out.
Let us say yam fan no so no be ready why. Hello, good morning. But yeah, Joso.
Bena akosi afumekafasi ekongo biebi
uri amintio
adi womenso protesters no mo chi omo di a police for no ehun ya be kwa because we body am ho sankadele demia kame ko no be kan because woman na e kon enye woman plan kan ko if you say so you be obi mani ni won kasa de na e kon enye nkɔla tuomu yesu so ho ya nti obe pa na mo ni ko bi ku nipa mi bi anti akokɔ bakwa adam se ni ko kan ni se ye mani ni sama ni bi ko lo ya ko kama pipi
me da se yen ko ye nim of from hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
This ko jonchi do do no ya so da no
ko ye nim
on parle pas de parler du moment d'ailleurs. On comme c'est des démonstrations. On m'a mis à chercher bien de démonstration. wọ́n mú ntẹ́ police car sí hɔ wọ́n yẹ lọ́wọ́ ní mọ̀pá wọ́n kó tó police key ní wọ́n tó key ní di ayé dẹ̀ ó kí ni ọmọ bá dẹ̀ náà ń jẹ́ ni wọ́n tó key ní ẹ̀fọ́ àtẹ̀lẹ̀ ó bí ọ̀yẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ mà wọ́n mọ̀ obi on the right wọ́n ń ọmọ ẹ̀mí àwọn ilé ìgbìmọ̀ tó ń sọ́kù sẹ́ gàwọ́ náà yẹ tiẹ̀ yẹ wọ́n lọ wọ dẹ́pútì òbí abẹ́ tìǹà yẹ wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n di mọ́ sọ wọ́n dẹ̀ sí ẹ̀ka nkọ̀fọ́ náà ẹ̀ fún jẹ́lú ọmọ nkàtà next time no wọ́n ní tìǹà mu fẹ́ de so wọ́n tàn mẹ́ta ase.
mẹ́ta ase paa yẹn fọ fọfọ good morning.
morning.
bàtà ọ̀hún ẹni.
àbàtà kwaku sèédì ni.
kwaku yẹn tiẹ̀ wẹ̀ ó kà sẹ́ fẹ́ yẹn.
ìkàsẹ́ fi bàntìmọ̀ nù.
mi ti o.
àbá náà ti sọ no ẹm sẹ ẹ fi tu bọ ban yẹn sábẹ bọ wa demonstration kọ mọ àwọn Ghana ha nyina wọn na ẹhyẹ aseɛ eti ni wọn kọ àwọn ohun nneɛma bi saa no nti ɛbɛ sɛ sɛ saa galamsey ɔmo so ɔmo ayɛ bi saa ɛmɛ bi atwam ɔmo so ne saa nom hyehyɛ nhyamanfoɔ ɛhyɛ ɔmo kutu pam ɔmo di ɛyɛ that kind of nneɛma no nti nyame bɔ no kɔkɔɔ wɔn fa wɔn nyɛ dɛ ɛnkɔ.
Matimeda say good morning.
Good morning, Papa. About your mahalo.
Yami adumbo kombacha wudi mo di.
I'm kasafo kafo. Me say galamsa asem no mo de. E say we fa no ka hansem. Na de akon de say no kura say yen wo Ghana ha na bi say kran suda. Ni bi ade yen. Na say Papa Eden na me ka Ghana for pa na Eden.
Matimeda say right. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minia. The best maker center, the shine blue.
Ina mitio.
I'm a little bit of a beautiful. I don't want some sugar chabaso. I be sure Mantamo, and then of course, we live in Kama. And if you say, I meant any of the father
or New York.
Okay, any on cow. And he said, as I said, who has also said, I'm saying it means to us here, we get to the water so.
Mimi abete Mr. Fasa mumba na mampeni aka krem no ko right nti ye na akraka 0322498035 0243114497 but obi the same kase for him
Stephen Martin because free the window adon taxi driver
Martin but my inti
we came to Pami Family City pa.
Yeah, that's it.
And now they say, oh, say Galamsey National. If no one be a little personal, but because in the end, Crepa, a bit Crepa, young French Harban, and I have follow. And you know, you know, they see because it is about say, if you call a double call also the two, go, wow, bra, well, you know, right,
me that's it. So good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Lucas and Palma.
But your mom too.
So I like the Barcelona because I cry.
Oh, that be other than welcome, but or the welcome come us na in bezo ba.
You can be a papa. I said, can be a man patch as I say, a general guarantee. You couldn't cry here. Quarantine, I will so crying. It's a country here. Edwin Suko, Mamma Cotan, I'm out. Such a thing. When you go, Jared, and it is all come. And you can be not to go for me. That said it over every day. And this,
Let us say, Penny, good morning.
Morning.
But you didn't be a casa free.
Body,
body, uncle.
Yes, sir.
Me too, papa.
And you say, my Ghana, you're going to say, you go clear, you're seeing your politics. Abaya, before say 2016, Germany, the trouble. Let me make you say. When you try to wish you, no money now, clean. After you, everything they had to see, what does you? What does you? Money not to be the deal, so you are. More coming for four, when I will not say here, now only says you. But the party will not to fight. And I'm not trying to say now, I will be fight one of them. This is your own color. I'm not telling you, if I'm saying, I think that you are all to go. So, we do have interest here. What says you say now? We want to say, we want to say, we want to say, we should be saying, ɛne akɔnfo ne yɛ sopo na ne akɔnfo ɛne akɔnfo akɔnkɔn ne yɛ mu aba ɛya ntiri sɛ Ghanafoɔ obiara ne hu hɔ wɔkɔtɔ ba gidi tɔ aba no gidi da kyerɛ ɛyɛ sɛ aba time space time ne yɛ so mu ne bɛ se
medase right abusua ma yɛnkɔ yɛnim yɛmfa afrɛfoɔ no nsia na meyɛ birthday si na mewie a mama mempanifoɔ so yɛ wrap up with that discussion ɛnɛ ɛyɛ Mr. Stephen Labi ɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ Asokwa Ghana Revenue Authority ɛnɛ ɛyɛ birthday happy birthday to you Mr. Labi nyankopɔn nhyira papaapa na ɔma wo nkwa tenten ahoɔden wom na sika nso so tɛkyire nyankopɔn ka ho paa nti Mr. Stephen Labi of Asokwa Ghana Revenue Authority happy birthday to you na nyankopɔn ka ho papa saa so na ɛnɛ ɛyɛ Mrs. Celestine Owusu ɛnɛ ɛyɛ birthday wei ɛfiri wo kunu Charles Owusu Kejetia Petty Traders Vice Chairman or we ne wife Mrs. Celestine Owusu a special birthday so happy birthday to you Mrs. Yankopon Shana on your kese now I say okay right now yanko enim we dey no we first interview yanko enim the next one Misafo ene Misafo so birthday but my enye we okay I say with much respect kindly use your platform to wish Nana Oredu Wadie the first we Kwawun Kwatia Nkoswohene CEO Edema Kabaka Foundation and your birthday Nana Oredu Wadie the first Kwawun Kwatia Nkoswohene we CEO Edema Kabaka Foundation and your birthday happy birthday to you way free Wycliffe or Atosu and I always show this special birthday. We say so and I got the next one. I'll say happy birthday to Michael or say AJ of Best Man Barbering Saloon Ewa Safo. May you live to fulfill everything the Lord has ordained to you to achieve. God bless you. Okay, so that is that. We a special one to Michael or say AJ of Best Man Barbering Saloon Asafo. And your birthday, happy birthday to you. We from Yanka Saminia Yanimako of Angel FM. And I always say Michael or say J a special birthday. Yes. This one to my mom. Yeah. Superintendent Mary Afeni. Mary Ajwa Afeni. A Mensia Divisional MTTD Commander. Mommy, happy birthday to you. Nyankopon sha no nyo kese special one me akasa me nua Hafiz enso city that is channel 1 TV channel 1 TV ono so we she Superintendent Mary Adwoa Afenyi a special birthday oye Mensia Divisional Commander MTTD in fact manu we oye heavy ankasa we heavy pa nti and also so no we are done we here Mr. Afo yes Mr. Afo now oye media general COO and then the birthday to Mr. Afo happy birthday to you yankopon sha no nyokas in fact your time with media general no said you see here tonight I am sure say yankopon koswa etawachi obo ho ban and bibia da wani ndia na also Ufano Yamin can hold a friend Yankupon show and then happy birthday to you Miss Afo. Today is your birthday, enjoy your birthday big man. Happy birthday to you Miss Afo. Now lawyer
yes sir
yeah Nema where the 2 news home
one say more for some kasabium
Dabi
one day na me kono
yeah
me kai kana fo nyina say pani mahama na be dia chire Professor Gina no Pukwadman any NDC she papa di ban said the guy the game changer the 24-hour economy is formula 133 one job 3 people 3 shifts na a booty production na create more jobs women's development bank wo de yɛ de ban yɛ se ɛma nko na ɛbɛwura ne de bɛboa mmaa na mmaa so nya support de ama mmarima no ofie sase mmaa dodoɔ no adwuma nkɔ yie bi so nyɛ adwuma ɛna afei the national apprenticeship program ɛbɛbu bi a bɛ so osua adwuma biara sɛ ɔkɔ sukuu sɛ nkɔ sukuu no so no kana afa ne nyinaa yɛbɛma ɔkɔnya adwuma a wɔpɛ sɛ osua yɛaboa wo wowie so a yɛasɔ asra ma wahyɛ aseɛ ɛde wɔnyɛ tools ne sika de bɛdi adwuma so nso wɔ hɔ yɛsi the next academic year no yɛba power all first year tertiary students sɛ wokɔ teacher college of education o nursing o university o polytechnic deɛ wɔwɔ bi a Ghana bi a tertiary biara no first year fees no abaasi ɔsom ama mo na mo kɔn wɔ ha mo na wokɔ wura mu na owie so owie school na ne kyɛ sɛ 24-hour economy no nso so ɛba akurafoɔ so yɛnyɛ mfiri mu o ɛmo bi atwam fɛ license ano yɛkyɛ no kwa a yɛde ma akurafoɔ no nyinaa nnɛ ne boa yɛ bi ɔmo ntumi ntɔ no yɛbɛsa de aba abɛsɔ plan free na afei koko rose a na ɛnyɛ a yɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ yɛyɛ koko rose no nyinaa so yɛsa abɛhyɛ aseɛ atoa so na projects biara nso a abawo yi amana ka nwom sɛ deɛ ɔmo bɛhyɛ aseɛ o deɛ ɛndi sɛ ɔmo gye amana ka nwom o no nyinaa no yɛba so a yɛbɛ compete no nyinaa ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo panyin ama wɔyɛ bi da ayɛ bi da hɔ nom a yɛnkase yɛmfa nyame bɛkyerɛ nkɔ sɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ ɔho bi da sɔngu bebree wọ́n yà bá fọsí na dẹ́rù ẹ̀nà ọ̀nà wọ́ọ̀kùnú nṣẹ́ so wọ́ọ̀kùnú matinka matinka paṣẹ mo de pressure ba nṣẹ́ so mo sika wọ́n dá wọn na yẹ jí sí ìtìlẹ́ ma yẹ nyà bá fọsí na dẹ́rù ẹ̀ wọ́n tiẹ̀ ní ti fún yìnyín obi wọ́n kìlọ̀ nṣẹ́ nṣẹ́ so na wọ́ọ̀kùnú wọ́n fa wọn ṣẹ́ bi na NDC wọ́n nípa wọn wáyé.
mi da se alaj. Mr. Mambacho, my name is microphone. Still on the microphone. Yes,
Afa.
Afa for night.
Afa Fantoni Chiniye. Omuna omu very fragile. Chiniye mfama bona na de ne kwa Afa Fantoni brobo. What do you say? Sir John Obianim say Dr. Mudba Omia Woye Aprokuma na ogun hwani mpo anabofo tekma kwadue ne betso bibra ono eno say yemfa zipline medical drone delivery system emra NDC CNye. As matter of fact, women organizer Hannah Bisu was it drones on the bar between ma deja, Nedio deja beto abonting. And medical drone delivery no Potokasem abe the integral part of our medical delivery system in Ghana. 6 centers deliver blood vaccines.
87.9 Kumasi.
Any enroll a critical moment near here said and kwada on betro exams. Yadu amon krata kokokotro. Na ye manfo nyina ntro nwansa na omakokotro. This medical drone delivery, system yeah. And you see edi womo enkrata Akoma womo mo tre omo so he. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in difficult times. Enna Oyen said, Bank of Ghana, let's go along the path of gold pitches policy. And this is for Pupui gold pitches policy. Papa no antiasio. Now gold pitches policy no manifesto page 61, the last bullet point. Adia na womo e pupu no ene de omo agiatum the man is full and full and full of ideas.
All right,
bold solutions.
Me that say right Zamwa. Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, no, 1 minute.
Say 1 minute. Now 1 minute near to baby.
It's okay.
Which one are you doing? Why? I say man go from Bacho. Okay, man go from Mammy. Is that Mama de Abaron? Okay, you made us say. Made us see from your right ma yenya say wa bonyum na wie ayom no pa fama opa fama fama ko hene na satisfy all the requirements so that
no problem
but when they just disturbing the UK.
Oh sorry but I say hono dey on say yeah, but the important thing is say they say we are draw no
yeah
say abaye koto no yen hwe say nipa no miensa dey all credibility nya owo the reason obetimi achichiro ma we say enya do akofa akabetu say see e ka say MPP for ka o mabo no enkura no yeso mo we free agents na motimi am den e ka da ho mo bi 20,000 200 million unyen to e ka and this for MPP for about to no
okay
enti yan show bi oba obetimi aboa me yi sa aka we nyina fro na etima kwa enimi na nyam nya aboa mo etima chichiro ma na o ma akure ni because abaye koto no wo kwa ade hwase ho na to abama lunch na matin na obedidi o man's be kuna ni job for the people cash for the people
right so for Hane de Jumade ni be see but Mr. Winfred Kingsley Afford, former Chief Operating Officer, Media General Group. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's Afford. God bless you. We wish you well. We wish you very, very well. Enjoy your day, sir. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Winfred Kingsley Afford. And the entire team, we wish you special birthday. Sir John. Mamena was say, "Obiya ko yin mensa Benjamin Edu na produce show na no pay." Mamena na was your the social media live. Me sorry. Everyone's from with Obibini Akohene. Coming up, Yami Adu Jordan no pay this year Ghana Akoma so. Continue to enjoy Akoma 87.9 FM.